We are back. Sorry for the late reset, but I wanted to make sure my phone was properly charged. I want to make sure we can get all of this. This one, ladies and gentlemen, welcome in. This one's gonna be a good one. Can you guys see the prompt fully? I'm just curious. Thank you, Brandon. I said I was gonna reset. I might have taken a bit, but we're gonna do it. You can DM me, Dimitri, afterwards. I'll tell you and talk after the live. Technically, that's kind of my real name. I am in the suburbs of LA. So this goes. Do. How do I set this? I can set to auto post these. Actually, I'm not going to set that, but we'll see. Okay. Message me afterwards, Dimitri. Maybe we can kick it. Who knows? Anyway, can you guys fully read the prompt? Is the entire prompt? Yeah, message me afterwards. We can hang out if you like. Guest box is open, guys. You can come if you disagree. Okay, everyone can read it. Cool. That's good. Because on my end, the top part is a little bit cut off, but imagine for you guys seeing it, it looks different. But so what we're doing, add some likes, guys. Put some likes to the thing. I mean, a little cut off. I need to make this shorter. But wait. But it's manageable here. Can we? Ooh, there we go. How's that? Boom. How is that? Is that better? I think that looks better. Much better. There you go. Now we just gotta. Whew, this is gonna be interesting. This one, if people accuse me of engagement baiting, this one I don't think I can disagree with. But it's still true. It's a bit more baity, but it is true. Let's see how this goes. But it is true. Dude. Fuck. F it. Yeah, I agree. I wonder. What about Cavill Hill? His course any good? Probably not. If he was good, why he wouldn't sell a course? When's the last time you've seen a billionaire sell a course? I do forex in my cooked. Forex is it's interesting stuff. You gotta know what you're doing with forex. Forex is that's tough. These uh, yeah, trading is legit. It takes a while. I mean, yeah, it takes a while, but you got to know what you're doing before you do it. You can't just, No, I'm not selling your course. And if I do, I'm going to sell a pterodactyl strategy. I'm going to sell the pterodactyl strategy course. Dude, the guest box is open, guys. You can come if you disagree and talk about it. 99% of courses are garbage. Yes. It's going to be. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's like mad. Oh, it's funny. No one is profitable. Some people are profitable. You don't hear about them. They're on like a Bloomberg terminal somewhere in Wall Street. Anyway, guest box is open. Can you guys see the guest box? Curious. Thank you. I hate them too. Hate them too, bro. It's true though. It's engagement bait, but it's true. It is true. But oops. See how this is. Hey, how you liking the
What's
live?
up?
Hey,
God
what's up,
damn, that's a great prompt.
dude? This is like this immediately.
Are you able to
Original
like
stuff.
shrink it a slight bit? Because like the
Oh, I can actually. Yeah, but it's just it'll be like this. Is this better?
whatever you think. I mean, it just doesn't like the S was like not in the picture. If
Oh,
that
this is
makes
better.
sense. That looks good to me.
I mean, how can make it? Ooh, no, that's just like. Like I have to like whatever. Anyway, this is probably
That
good.
looks good. I mean, to be honest, I think like that looks. I don't know
Yeah,
what the chat thinks, but
yeah.
I think
What
that
does the
looks
chat
really
think?
good.
We got someone requesting. Oh, we got Ghosty.
That looks more
Hey,
formal to me.
yeah. Hey, we got Ghosty. I know Ghosty. Yo, Ghosty,
Bro,
how you
Tiki
doing?
Torch. Hey,
Yeah,
how's it going, man?
pretty good, man. How's it going, Ghost?
Dude, I gotta say, man, my business ventures have been
Yeah,
taking off.
that's great.
I'm such a better state since the last time we spoke,
Nice,
bro.
nice. That's great.
Oh yeah, man.
I
I
need
want to
to.
say a
Yeah,
total of 20 days has passed, and I've already got three clients.
nice. So you like the credit card readers?
Yeah, the POS
Nice,
systems.
nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have to
hmm
invite you to the Discord.
Yeah, you want me to be motivational speaker to you guys? I
Maybe
mean, I'll do it. I've been told I'm like I've got that motivational speaking voice.
that'll be good. Be like a Jordan Belfort. Just don't commit any crime.
Exactly right. I'll even adopt
Yeah,
the upper Boston accent there for you. Like, you want to learn how to make some fucking money here? This is what you gotta do. Wake up every fucking
it's the
day, all right,
pronouncement.
and
It's
just call yourself a winner.
you know
I
what?
could do it.
TGR might as well be like Jordan Belfort of today, but not as
Hey,
cool.
uh, I have been nicknamed the Taxman. I don't know if you play Repo or not. You know the game Repo?
No, I'm not familiar. What is
Ah,
repo?
man.
Is it like
Well, well, it's basically a guy that just tells that gives the it's a game where you just
yeah,
like you and your friends go to collect valuable items and then you have to
like
extract them.
literal
So
repo?
yeah, like a little repo. So the tax man tells you what to do. So I've been nicknamed the tax man.
Oh, that's nice. I had a
I
feeling it was
think
gonna
it's
go in that direction. Oh, so got like and follow me to get rich.
Yo, what's
Wanted
up,
to come.
guys?
Yo, what's up? Like and follow. Been a minute. How you doing?
Well, the market is just going up and down right now, so I would say it's like staying level.
Hmm.
So that means we're gonna be going from 60,000
Yep.
to 75 for the next couple of months.
Ooh. Like it's just the range.
Yeah, it's just a range, it's an average. Because what they're doing is they're shaking out the loose hands, the people that have to
Who's
pay
doing
their
this?
bills, the coin makers.
Okay.
Why would they?
That's
Let me ask you a
nice.
question.
Uh-huh.
If something is gonna have value one
Yeah.
day, why would they want you to have the actual coin? Wouldn't they want you to sell it when you have to pay bills? Like for instance, if you notice at the end of the month the pattern starts to change.
Wait, but
You know,
you got a solution for this.
Oh yeah, you got
Airplane
the.
mode,
Yeah,
airplane mode,
you got
bro.
the
They
airplane
won't
mode.
know.
Yeah.
yo, tell you the truth, I've done it. When I put my phone on airplane mode and then I go on a different like a tablet
Hmm.
or
Yeah.
let's say a computer,
Hmm.
you will notice small pips, small green candles. Because you have
Yeah.
to understand, I have a huge amount of crypto. I don't have like 5 coins, 10 coins. I'm in the millions and billions of coins. So it's like, you know, now I don't
Yeah.
have the
I
big
feel that. I feel
coins.
that.
I
Oh,
don't
did you
have the
say
big
millions
coins.
and billions of
Look,
coins?
I don't have a million of Solana,
Uh-huh.
but I got a million in Pepe.
Oh, okay.
I'm pretty sure you see on your phone, you
Yeah.
get that alert. Pepe is going up. Pepe is going up. By the time I click on my phone to check
I'm
Pepe
not
is
as.
going up,
Yeah.
as soon as I check, you see the candle red.
Well, like and follow. I'm not as elite as you. I don't have Pepe notification alerts on my phone.
Well, I got a lot of coins, so you know.
Yeah. Yeah. You track all of them with the alerts if they go up or down 5%.
Well, when I get the alerts, I look at
Yeah.
it like that's a FOMO alert. The app is trying to send me into FOMO. They want me
Right.
to get delusional and say, "Oh, it's going up," and then you accidentally sell it. Stuff like that.
How you accidentally sell it because it's going up?
Because you're gonna look at the chart, you're gonna see a green candle. The person who's smart and I would say stock
Hmm.
etiquette
Yeah.
might hold longer, and the person who sees that quick green candle might just sell it.
Wouldn't it?
They might have to pay.
But
They
what
might
it
have to
what?
pay a car note. They might have to pay a bill. They might have to get groceries. You never know
What
what
it?
the next person's situation is.
But wouldn't that be the right choice? Like sell it, take a profit, and move on, or no?
Yo, some people hold it for dear life, man. I'm holding to my account, say 5 mil.
5 mil, but afterwards you're gonna sell.
Yeah, once I hit 5 mil, I'm gone. I'm gone.
Good luck,
Ghost.
man. I hope you make it. You might.
Ghost. Check my
Five
page.
millions is a good one.
Yo, check my page, man. I spent 100 grand on crypto, man, and
I that is legit though.
I
I
got
have seen your
50K,
Robinhood. Your Robinhood is legit.
50K on stocks and
Uh-huh.
100K on crypto.
Oh my God, crypto whale over here.
I'm trying, man, and I don't have no funded account. I'm using my own money.
Mhm.
I don't ask nobody for no money.
That's
I
good.
haven't started no courses. I give free information of what I know. Whatever I don't know, I cannot answer it. And
Nice.
I don't advise nobody to take any of my trades because
Legit.
I'm
Yeah.
highly volatile. I take highly volatile trades.
Like you just leverage yourself.
Yeah.
How much leverage do you use? Like what's your ratio?
Well, I look like this. Whatever I use, I better see it like hit at least 50% higher, you know?
You go for a 50% return on each trade?
That's what I'm looking for.
It's a lot.
So let's say if I spend it's not a lot. If you know how to trade, if
Fifty
you know how to
percent is that is
look,
a
let
lot.
me give you a good example, right? If I got $10,000, right?
Mhm.
$10,000. Some people might get Amazon.
Yeah.
I don't know if you remember when Amazon was 3,000 a piece.
Hmm.
Okay. Now you got ten
Was it
thousand
before the
dollars
split? But okay.
before the split. Yes, before
Oh.
the split. So yes. So now before the split, my wife had advised me to get Amazon, Amazon, Amazon. I'm like, let me look at it. I looked at it. It's 3,000 a piece. I said, baby, if I get Amazon, that's 3 shares.
Mhm.
Now, I do know a stock where it's valued at like 300,000 a share. It
Yeah.
is possible Amazon could somehow climb to like let's say 10,000 a share. But the whole point is, who got time to wait? Who got time to wait?
So how would you make it go up to 10,000 faster? Are you gonna like
Let me tell
artificially
you, let me
like?
tell you what I would do with the 10,000. With the
Mhm.
10,000, I would look for penny penny coins. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Penny stock? Yeah.
Penny stocks, penny stocks.
Oh,
It's
this
late and
sounds
it's late and I'm high as a kite. But yo, penny stocks, right? I would look into the
okay.
penny stocks. Not
Yeah.
saying that I would
Be
buy them.
real. You're
Hold on,
always
hold
high as
on.
a kite on
Hold on,
here, at
always,
least.
always. But yo, not saying that I would buy it. I wouldn't buy each penny stock, but I would look into them.
Oh, okay. You would look into them,
Now,
but you wouldn't buy
when I
them. All
look
right.
into them, I would I would sway away from the
What
bigger,
are you
the
looking for?
the higher stocks that cost more. Basically, when you look at the cheaper stuff, you're swaying away from the shit that's too expensive for you. You understand? Now,
Yeah.
from there, you can make better decisions and you'll make more profit. How I'm gonna make profit on Amazon if it's gonna take 10 years to get to freaking 10,000? Like you could find a whole bunch of different stocks that will gradually grow over time faster, and you can make more money with your 10,000.
Okay. Yeah. But
That's
if.
all. Like for
Oh.
instance,
Okay. But then.
for instance,
I,
right? When my wife told me about Amazon,
yeah.
I bought AMC.
All right.
This is the same time AMC and GameStop was going to the roof.
Yeah.
Now,
So.
I already had AMC
Mhm.
before everybody started talking about it. I had it before the news. I
All
only
right.
had 240 shares,
It's a
but
lot.
I bought the 240 shares at $2.25.
Yeah.
The
That's.
only now this was a learning process. Now,
Mhm.
I'm only telling you what happened to me so people could understand how to make better trades. It's all
Right.
about
But
it's all
what's your?
about your entry point. So me now, my entry point,
Yeah.
I kept buying it as it went
Mhm.
up. So now
Okay.
my average kept changing. But if I would have
What's your
left it
point?
as
Oh, like it would have been a higher rate of return.
yes, if I would have spent 10,000 at $2.25, I would have made like a good 20, 30, 40,000.
That's
Now,
pretty good.
now when I had the 100 shares, I probably spent like $1,000, right? Around there, right?
Yeah.
Somewhere under that. But the whole point is, I should have never did that. I should have just went all in. And then when the news talks about it, you sell it. That's it. Because now,
Okay.
guess what happened to me? I had 240 shares.
It
I
went
tried
down.
to teach people. I tried to teach people. I went around the neighborhood.
Mhm.
I went to every neighborhood. I called my cousins, my uncles. Yo, buy AMC. Buy
Went to
AMC.
every neighborhood. That's.
Yeah, my
Mhm.
people that I hang out with, the
Yeah.
community. I
Yeah,
told the
got you there.
community I was like a how could I say it? Like a you know the person that goes through the town and warns everybody like something is happening.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was alerting everybody. Anyways, I alert people in my community that
Yeah.
crypto is going up, and stocks, and they better buy certain stocks.
Mhm.
Then I realized, okay, now it's on the news. Maybe it's gonna go from $2 to like 100. It did go to 40. My
Yeah.
account, I did see positive 10,000,
Did you
but
not
now
take it?
I didn't take it out. I'm
Oh my
waiting for
god.
$40. I'm waiting for 50 and 40 and 100. It's
Uh,
on CNN.
but did
Guess what
you?
happened?
It
Guess what
went
happened?
down. Yeah, it
As soon as
crashed.
it hit CNN,
Yeah.
it started to crash. Then GameStop started to crash with it.
Yeah, but
GameStop went to like 500.
yeah,
It went
but
from
like and follow.
$20.
Like, do
It
you?
went from $20 to 500 bucks a
Listen.
share. I'm a
Uh,
huge
did you
gambler.
blink? Is that what happened? Did you blink too
Well,
much?
tell you the truth, when I had AMC, it was because remember, I had AMC at $2.25. It went all the way to 40, then it went to 60.
Yeah.
Now, in between 40 and 60, I was moving differently. I would wake up, I would wake up and shower with the phone. Seriously.
You shower with the phone? Why? Just
I
so you
would
could
brush
sell it
my
at any
teeth.
second?
I would brush my teeth with the phone.
Well, have you ever? Did you
Yeah, I
ever
kind of like
consider?
this strategy, to be honest.
Did you
I'm
ever
serious.
consider maybe like a stop loss so that you could,
Yo,
breathe?
I'm waiting for this thing to hit 100. It didn't. What they did was they made it hit 80 and went straight back down.
Why did you just put like a stop loss? Why did you have to
Yo,
like?
we not. Yo,
Yeah.
not for stop loss. We trying to go to the top. Did you see what happened at GameStop? Okay, the reason why I didn't put a stop loss is
Yeah.
because did you see what happened at GameStop? It went
Yeah.
from $20 to
Mhm.
500.
Yeah.
So imagine the person that spent
Alright.
$1,000 at $20 and it went to
Yeah.
500. Now
Hey,
that was
like
the
and follow,
biggest
just
scam.
real quick. Like, definitely finish your point. Sorry to interrupt. But after, you mind if we remove you for a sec, because we wanted to
Yeah.
talk,
That's
see
what
what these other guys.
Yeah. There's like two other guys requesting.
that's
I'm gonna
cool.
let up.
I'm gonna drop right now. But yeah, I'm a real trader and I
Yeah.
trade.
Yo, Tiki, bro, can you show your
How old
dick
are
and
you?
ass, please? Please shake your ass,
Yo,
Tiki.
this
Please
what y'all
shake
want
your
up
ass.
here?
Please shake.
Alright.
All right, well, that wasn't who we were looking for.
Yeah, be careful, man. You know, it's late. Around this time, it's a lot of hyenas out here.
That's a wild statement, but all right. Next person.
Meaning a lot of animals.
Yeah, I got you there. But
Yeah.
hello, ice school. Hello,
Yo,
Oscar.
yo.
How old are you?
28.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, why does it say ICT equals I can't trade?
Because ICT can't trade.
So what's your trading order flow?
No, not ICT.
What's your strategy, bro?
If I had a strategy, I would be a millionaire.
Bro, what are you?
Okay.
Wait, so you don't trade? Do you trade?
Not anymore. No. I used to, but I just invest now.
You just invest, so you are a swing trader.
That's not what swing trading is.
You mean investing as in like solely putting funds into an S&P?
But other things apart from that, but yeah.
Okay.
So do you know ICT wasn't able to trade? That's why he sells ICT.
You're talking about TGR?
No,
Or
I'm talking
ICT?
about ICT. TGR too.
Huddleston?
Hmm?
Huddleston?
Yeah, the ICT guy, yeah.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
you know what's funny about all his videos that he brings out for free? There's he's gatekeeping. So yeah, there's a lot more
He's
to.
gatekeeping? What
Yeah,
is
he's
he gatekeeping? Does he know that?
Does he know that? Oh man, no, his students do.
No, but does he know he's like gatekeeping valuable information? Because it
No,
seems
yeah,
like
yeah. The thing is that he wants. You have
why?
to. You have. The thing is that, bro, like you have to continue seeking
Yeah.
and believing into ICT because there's a lot more gurus,
Is it
so
like
that will stray you off. So
is
you
it
got to
just
be careful.
so it's just like blind belief? Just close your eyes and believe in it?
Yeah, basically, yeah, and it's crazy, bro. It's just crazy. I
Wait,
know, I
so
know. It looks and it sounds impossible,
so
but
y- so if you just believe in it without like thinking about it, it'll just work out?
see, what draws me to ICT is that
Yeah.
he's spiritual and he believes in Christ. So like that's what I carry myself with, and
He
that's what yep,
he trades with the power of Christ?
yep.
Yeah.
Is it the Jesus trading strategy?
Hey man, there's a top. You could literally top and bottom
Yeah.
and top tick the market with like 2 or 3 ticks of drawdown. Imagine that. That possibility is real.
Is that the Jesus one? Like, because you said like
It's
you
called
buy
it's called it's called Enigma, bro. Enigma.
Enigma. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
What's
know
it?
it's funny. It's funny. I know. I, look up
Yeah.
Axel Trades, bro. One of
I'm
his
not.
students. I
I
know
don't know
you're
about
not gonna do.
Axel.
You're not. You are maybe. Yeah, I know you don't know him.
There's like a billion of these people. They're all the same.
I know, right? I'm just another guy, another name. No, trust me. I heard the story from your lens before. Don't worry.
Yo, look me up. How about that, man? Yo, check this out. Yo, Tiki.
Well, this
Tiki.
is
So far with the passive income,
hmm
I'm
Yeah.
killing them. I'm crushing them. I'm crushing
You're
them.
crushing them. Yeah. With
Because
what?
look, so
Yeah.
far, the
I'm
first day
looking.
when I started my goal to passive income,
Yeah.
the first day I made $20. The second day it was 60. The
Whoa.
first week it was like what? I think 200, and now I'm up $400 today. Now at the end of
In
the
one
month,
day or the total?
hold on, the total. At the end of the month, the total is gonna be 1,000 a month. And then I realized, I'm gonna be honest with you, the whole trading crap is a scam. But I've realized how to make them, how to use their money so you will not be scammed.
Whose money?
I
The traders?
the
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 sports sellers? Or
institutions, no, the institutions.
oh, you're gonna use the institution's money and take that away from them?
Yes. So what I'm doing is,
Let's hear it.
since okay, so what I do is this, right? I wish I looked at trading very differently,
Mhm.
because I look like this. The best thing for people to do is to find an institution that
Yeah.
has APR on uninvested cash, and
Okay.
then over years or course of time, your money will accumulate in their buying
This
power,
is just
in their
so.
buying power, and then you use that money that you receive from that
Uh-huh.
institution to trade with.
So
So now,
are you just saying to invest in like a high yield saving account?
yes, that's better than trading. Look, because look, right? Let me give you
You
a good
could have
example.
just straight up said that.
So look,
Like,
right?
yeah.
Over 2 years, I lost nearly like what? I mean, I didn't lose it fully because I didn't
Uh,
sell. I'm holding, but it's like I'm
yeah.
down 10%, forty
Uh,
thousand bucks. So now, what if I would have never bought stocks, and then
yeah.
each month I would have got 1,000 a month from them because I have a lot of money in my account, and then I use that 1,000 to buy stocks and crypto.
That's just investing 101. Yeah, you
Yes,
discovered investing. Yeah.
yes, this is better than using your hard-earned money that you work 40 hours a week for, you know. I work 40
Yeah.
hours a week, then I'm buying stocks and I'm over here watching it in the shower. I'm watching it while I use the potty. I'm watching it while I take a number 2, a number
Okay,
3,
I
a
got the
number
idea.
4.
Okay. I got the idea. Can we? All right.
And the only reason why I would watch it is because, like I said, I've been in trades where I have over 100 shares, and then it would
Yeah.
make my whole portfolio like
hmm
flip upside and up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And then most likely, most of the time,
Do you think
my
they're
port
aware of what like and follow? Do you think they're like aware of what you're doing and like that changes the stock price?
nah, I just think it's Robinhood. Robinhood got some
Uh,
FOMO shit going on.
like Robinhood spying on you?
Well, why would they want you to make money?
Robinhood doesn't care. They're just a brokerage.
You sure? Why would they
Yeah.
want you to make money?
Robinhood is just a brokerage. They don't
Well,
care.
So
they
think about it.
make more money if you make more money.
Yeah, that also. Yeah, like if you make money, they'll
And
make money.
and they also make money when you buy and sell. So if you
Yeah.
make money when I buy and sell, the goal is to make the person with the money keep buying and selling, buy and sell, buy and sell,
Yeah.
buy and sell. It don't matter if you sell, they make money. It don't matter if you buy, they make money. So
Yeah, that's true.
think about the people with that don't have diamond hands. They'll spend $20,000, right? And then
Okay.
sell it at 18,000, buy it again, sell it back at 15,
Mhm.
go to work for 2 months and put another 5,000 on that 15 and put another 20 and lose and then see ten
No,
thousand
what is?
dollars.
Where are we going with this?
The
All
whole
right.
point is they make money. They make money, buy and sell.
Yeah. Okay. I know
They
that
hold
they
on.
make money on
They want
spreads
hold
and
on. FX Aaron said kick me off, but I got more money than him. Who you gonna listen to? The guy with no money or the guy with money? Who you gonna listen
Oh
to?
my god, this is too funny. Got a money
I've
off
been
right
trading for
now.
5 years. I've been trading for 5 years with my own money. I've been trading with money I've worked hard for. I also been trading money with money I didn't work
No, I
hard
mean
for.
he showed his Robinhood account on live. He's got a good bit.
Like I got. It's not a joke. I'm really gonna come back on TikTok. Anything that I put in my head, and I think about it, and I manifest it, is gonna come into existence. It don't matter if I'm 65. I'm gonna come back on Tiki's live and be like, "Yo, Tiki,
You're welcome
I
back
got a
when you're
cane.
65. Yeah,
I got a cane, but I got the Lamborghini right by it.
you're gonna get it. Oh, okay, that'll be sick.
Come on, come on.
Yeah, I'll believe it when I see it, man. And Dimitri, you want to come up?
Yo, let him come up. Let anyone of them come up, man. I'm gonna come back down.
All
I'll be
right,
back.
cool, cool. Like and follow. Yeah,
Okay,
Dimitri. Yeah.
I think I can one up his trading strategy.
Oh, you can
So
win it up. Yeah,
yeah,
let's
yeah.
hear it.
So what we're gonna do is
Mhm.
we're gonna wait for companies to file Chapter 7 bankruptcy,
Mhm.
and then we're gonna short them because eventually the stock is gonna go to zero.
That's a
So
good idea. Yeah, that's a great idea.
it doesn't matter how long it takes.
Yeah.
We're gonna make that money. That's my trading strategy.
Yeah, even if it's already at zero, you're still gonna short it.
Correct.
Uh, that's absolutely brilliant.
That's all
I see. All right, first, thank you, Demetrius. Who else is waiting? Also, who's this dude? Like, wait, hold up. What's this guy? Hold up. What is this dude's name? This dude's name. Hold up. What is this? Oh, let's see this. Who is this Rennie Rax guy? He's like having a breakdown. Guest box is open. No, this is hilarious.
I will say, like and
Yeah.
unfollow always puts on a show.
He always comes up with like he was like on the last live talking about making like a bunch of crypto coins and how he got rugged on his own coin.
I didn't hear that actually.
You know, he got sniped on his own coin apparently.
Wait, but I mean, low key, like
Yeah.
he just found out about investing, and I'm pretty hyped for him.
Yeah, I mean, the guy was like walking around in his shower, like waiting for AMC to be worth like 100 times earnings.
I know what he's saying though. Like I
Yeah.
remember in high school when I would like
Yeah,
day trade, and
yeah.
yeah, I know what he's talking about.
I remember the Robinhood stuff. I got into like a little bit of AMC, but nothing too much. Wasn't like full port demon on that. Should have low key full port demon into Robinhood. Let's short a bunch of small business stocks and cancel them so we can rinse them. How you get sniped out of your own coin? Bro, ask, like, and follow. I have no idea how it happened, but the dude got sniped out of his own coin. Also, can you guys see the guest box? I don't know. Wait, what if it's a forward split? If it's public, it doesn't work. How do you get a job at a hedge fund? Learn math? Uh, yeah, a BS degree in mathematics, bachelor's of science in math, from preferably a top 20 university. If you buy it too after making it, what? Okay, can we get different people? I don't want to have just like and follow only. Let's see this. Yeah, Thomas Markets. Math is good. Statistics is great. Computer science, data science, computer engineering. How can you say ICT means you can't trade? Because ICT is literally just made up by a guy who couldn't trade. Because that's all they heard. They heard alpha decay. They haven't heard what alpha actually is. Like their minds haven't gone that far. If you buy it after twice, anyway. Luckily, we are all forced to buy stocks for 401k. That's not true. No one is forced to buy stocks through the 401k. So it's pretty sure you have a choice not to have a 401k. Who should you learn off of? Realistically, the best case is from like a professor in a university, but even then, like you really can't. You have a choice to not have a company match. Yeah, you have a choice not to do that. Yeah. Guest box is open, guys. So Scott, I will say, this live did go up pretty fast, pretty quickly. I think it's only been, this hasn't even been 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes.
Maybe less. Well,
Yeah.
yeah, actually, maybe.
Yeah, I just checked the time. It's been about 30 minutes. Your lives made me become a better day trader. Nice, Wade. Yeah, this is, yeah, interesting.
For those in the
Or-
comments, though, we would love someone to come up that disagrees with the prompt
Or any of it, yeah.
with high conviction or low conviction.
Or any conviction. Medium conviction's also allowed.
Yeah, that too.
Well, maybe not super high. Like, just don't be a cult member. That's kind of it. I can pretend. No, not that I can pretend. Yeah, TJR is actually fake. The guy's whole persona is fake. He's not a successful trader. He just made money off of his viewers, like every single one of these guys. Like the guy literally can't trade. If he could, he wouldn't be making YouTube videos. When's the last time like you see like Jim Simons make a YouTube video or Steve Cohen talking about day trading? Yeah, I don't know. Scotty, you ever remember any Wall Street guy making a YouTube video talking about day trading?
Haven't come across it yet, but there's always the possibility.
Maybe Gen Z will set the trend. Who knows? Maybe we got like some future hedge fund managers in the chat. Maybe like and follow would be a hedge fund manager.
Also, I don't know if
imagine
I told you this yet, but my name's pronounced Scotto.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Scotto.
No, I've never corrected anyone. So.
Scotto. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, I've heard of Jesse Livermore. Yeah, Jesse Livermore is legit. Yeah, from what I heard. Was it Jesse Livermore, the guy from like the 1920s who did that huge trade, betting against the market, and then he lost everything and self-deleted? Pretty sure that was him. Jesse Livermore. I bought it 126. SBF. Sam Bankman-Fried, the guy who was a Giga scammer. Yeah, he lost billions and then, yep, you're right there, but at least he made billions. I mean, he won with the trade. Like, I mean, he had billions of dollars to lose. That's a winner in my book. I mean, if you're gonna lose money, you should lose a lot of money. I don't know. Bernie Madoff was just. I mean, I think Bernie could have gotten away with it had he just like waited to 2008 and just said, "Oh, he lost everything in the crash." Pull up Aaron. I don't know if FX Aaron wants to come up or not, but we'll see. These guys aren't educators. Imagine being so clueless that you think you're a random dude on TikTok is gonna be some educator. Do you know what a delta neutral strategy is? Yeah, or a carry trade strategy? Yeah, I do know what that is.
Are very different. I don't know why you would loop those into.
Yeah, because a carry
Delta
trade
neutral is also not. I mean, again, delta neutral is not a strategy. Usually, that's market makers that are using delta neutral as a vehicle. I mean, I guess.
No way you say Livermore was a good trader. Livermore made billions of dollars. Yes, he lost billions, but at least he made billions in the first place. Like, what are we going with this, guys? How is it that you make billions of dollars? Sure, you lose everything, but then how does that make you a bad trader? At least you had it. If you had it. Wait, does FX Aaron sell a course? Wait. I might actually explain it. I don't think he does, but.
Wait, we don't know FX Aaron. We don't hate on traders. I don't know if that's what you're trying to do, but no hate to traders. Just the ones that are
Waken and bake trades, yeah, or low Waken.
Yeah, man. Use the high yield savings account and use that. Don't use your hard earned money.
How old are you?
I'm 37.
Okay, so you have a disagreement?
No, he's a like for. Do you know like for followers, don't you?
Yo, it's like and follow.
It's like and follow. Oh, I'm so sorry, man.
I changed my name, so I didn't want to change my name. I didn't want to change my name on my other profile, so I changed my name on my backup profile to Wake and Bake Trades. Now I'm Wake and Bake Trades.
What about Wake and Bake Yield, bro?
Ooh, that would be a good one. Or Bake and Wake Crypto.
That's cool. Wake and Bake Trades. I'm gonna write all of them, but yo, definitely, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have courses. You guys
Oh,
have encouraged me
I
because a
might
lot of
actually
these
buy your course over everyone. How much is your course gonna be? A
it's gonna
dollar,
be
you
a
said?
dollar.
I can't be mad at that. A dollar? I have no issue with
Yeah,
that,
I'm
man.
down for
Only
that.
because
Yeah,
I don't have
yeah.
much to offer.
Yeah, at
So
least you're.
far.
Bro,
So
I
far.
at least honestly, with
Yeah.
that honesty, I feel like you should make it $5. I'll buy it.
I mean,
I'm dead serious.
I'll do it for a dollar, but yeah, I mean, I might do it for $5. Honestly, at this point, that'd be great. You know, what, I'll do it for the
Yeah.
5 too, but we'll see. I'll do it. I just want to see what's in your course because I know it's going to be something that's absolutely golden. It's going to be inspiring. I wouldn't talk. Yeah, of course you wouldn't. FX. You're in the comment section.
Within my
Bro,
course.
wake and bake. If you design like the greatest PowerPoint that is fits the bill of what we've been talking about, like we can do a collab. Tiki will do a collab with you.
Oh, he's got the Intelligent
Oh
Investor
boy.
by. Ooh, that's the Benjamin Graham book. That's fire.
Yes.
Ooh, he's got elite ball knowledge right there.
Bro, you
That's
could loop
elite.
it into the Jurassic Park course too.
Ooh,
That's what I'm
maybe.
thinking.
Yeah, that'd be sick. Dude, he's got the book from Benjamin Graham. It's what taught Warren Buffett. Dang, this dude's got. Oh, I'm gonna put this on the big screen, guys. This is how you actually learn how to do anything related to finance. There we go. John C. Bogle. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah. Bro's got all the good books. The little book.
Yeah, my brother, he's in
Yeah.
the army. He gave me this, and I thought it was a joke at
All right, there's
first.
people requesting though. There's people requesting. I got
And
it.
the last one,
Yeah. Ooh, Rich Dad Poor Dad.
yes, and
Robert Kiyosaki. Nah, not that guy, but
I will be reading these books while I trade,
yeah.
and that's about it.
Wait. While you trade, what about before?
Yeah, before and after.
Oh,
I'm reading to my audience. So for my TikTok on this page, I'll be reading books and giving simple, small advice.
okay.
So far, I have one advice, and that one is golden. Stop using our hourly checks
Mhm.
and just use what they give us.
Yeah.
High yield savings.
Low.
What's good?
He's how old are you?
I'm 18.
You're how old?
18.
18?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. What were you gonna say?
He traded Pokemon cards.
No, don't say that.
No,
FX
I'm
Aaron,
legal to trade. So, anyway,
yeah.
I think courses are fake. I don't think mentorships are fake unless the person that you're buying the mentorship off are scammers. Then fair enough. And I think TJR is a scam. And ICT, I don't trade ICT because that's for day trading. I do swing trading, so I don't really know about that. I can't really say much.
Oh, but if courses are fake, why wouldn't mentorships be?
Because I have a family member that I know is 100k funded with FTMO, and I bought my mentorship off him, which he also did to even get started in the first place. And I'm now funded trading because of him from the mentorship. So the money that I paid for the mentorship was worth it. But I wouldn't have ever paid for a course. I think courses are
How much
fake.
was the mentorship?
I paid 2,000.
So,
But that's like $3,000 because I'm in pounds, Great British pounds.
all right, yeah, that makes sense. So and for 3,000, I mean, my question would be to you then is, how do you know that what he was giving to you was like a worthwhile strategy? Like, did you run any numbers on it?
I'll never pay
Because
3,000 for a
he's
course.
a family member. I've seen him from
Oh,
when he
I
started
see.
trading to now.
Oh, you did it
Yeah.
because he was okay. I guess that's a bit different because you're helping out your family member. All right.
Yeah, and I've made more money since that mentorship because of him. So I think in my eyes it was worth it. I wouldn't have been able to do what I do now without him. So that's why I don't think mentorships are fake if the person is reliable. If the person's reliable, then the mentorship's not fake.
No, but like, I mean, I guess it's from a family member. It's a bit different, but I guess why would he
Yeah,
even
if you
charge
go,
you if you're a family
if you
member?
go,
But
he charged me because he taught me for about 6 months with calls every single day, showed me what his setups were, teach me a bunch of different things. So
I
it
mean,
was a
I
lot
guess
of
wait,
information.
does he sell to anyone else or was it just to you?
He sells to 3 or 4 other people. He lives in Thailand at the moment. He moved from England to Thailand. He just does trading full time out there.
I guess he doesn't really sell too much, does he?
Nah, he makes about 6,000 from just the mentorships, but then he makes more from the trading per
Yeah.
month.
I mean, I guess it's a bit different. This is a family member selling it to you. I mean, I guess he doesn't really. Yeah, I mean, I guess this doesn't apply because it seems like it's more of a. Did you reach out to him?
Nah, he reached out to me. As I said, bro, I've seen him do it from when he was at the start of doing trading. I went to his house and I saw him personally doing it.
Okay.
Plus, he paid a lot more for the information he gave me because he had to pay for a mentorship to have the information he had to teach me. So
He paid
I
for a
technically
mentorship, but
say again, mate.
no, but he paid for a mentorship.
Yeah, when he first started trading, yeah,
Hmm. But then,
he paid for a guy from Dubai, and he
yeah,
taught him.
that sounds classic, like a classic scam. Dubai trading mentorship.
No, the guy went out there for tax reasons. Zero tax in Dubai.
Yeah, that's true, but still, it's. Oh, I don't know. The Dubai is just shady, but I was just gonna say like, but have you ever ran into these like statistics about what was given to you?
Well, he does. Have you ever heard of my fucking mind's gone blank. Have you ever heard of high time frame supply and demand?
Kind of, yeah. What does
Yeah,
that
that's
exactly
the
mean? Like you mean
it's
like supply and demand trading, but on a high time frame?
yeah. So it's swing trading.
Okay.
No, I don't do day trading because I think personally day trading is gambling more than swing trading.
All right.
Yeah, so that's what he taught me. High time frame swing, supply and demand.
When
Can
you
I
say
ask how
high,
you can I ask how you determine that like day trading or intraday trading is more gambling than swing trading?
I personally think so. Yeah.
No, I'm saying why do you think like what's your like logic behind that?
Because with swing trading, even if the market goes against you in the first couple of days, it still gives time for the market to return in your favor. With day trading, you enter a trade, it's not even a 50-50 really.
But couldn't it go against you and return in your favor?
Oh, of course, you can still obviously lose. Don't get me wrong, you can still lose your trade. But I just think it gives more time for the market to return. It's the same with like long-term investing. Like you're not going to exit of a long-term investment in 5 days. You're going to hold it for like 10 years.
That's true.
You know what I mean?
It's the
Right,
hold and
but like
hope method, but
you're like you have a certain amount of risk budget based on like your lot size, right? And so
Yeah, I probably on my account I risk between like 0.5 to 1.5% per trade.
right, which you could do on a smaller or a longer time frame, and just because you're switching up the time frame, it doesn't increase the probability. Not like depends on what you're trading, but it doesn't increase the probability in a lot of markets that you're gonna make more or less money.
also like
Well,
how do you
what
That's definitely not true. I mean,
how old
because
are you, FX?
how old
I
am
was
I?
going to say, what market do you trade, Scott?
23.
I mean, we can get into what I do, but do you understand? Like, for instance, like a forex pair, like doesn't have any like intrinsic value necessarily in the long term. Like, meaning that it doesn't have any
Oh
higher
yeah,
probability
FX. Don't
necessarily.
Higher time frames are just to read the market, and lower time frames is to find your entry. That's literally all.
Yeah, so I'm kind of asking the logic behind that. So you kind of just restated what
Yeah.
Miz was saying, but like I
But that is
said,
the logic. I mean, the only logic here
the
is
time frame shouldn't affect. I mean,
Well, I
again,
think
it's
it does
different.
just because if you look at like 15-minute candles, half an hour candles for day trading to get a bias on what's going on, a day time frame or even a weekly time frame is going to have way stronger candles that are showing you which trend is
exactly,
going on.
But
exactly.
again, like I was
Plus, you
kind of
can look
asking.
at
It's just
I was-
facts, bro. Like it's facts. It's
You haven't
not shit that we
explained
just
why.
coming up with.
You
Yeah, no,
haven't
I'm just trying to
explained
get
why.
as to why you like what
Yeah.
your like deductive reasoning is for that,
Right.
because like you're just kind of giving your feelings at this point.
no, because
It's not feelings, bro. Look at what? Look at the facts. It's
a
facts.
day
Sounds like a
candle
lot of
or a
fun.
weekly candle is going to provide way higher statistic or higher proof on what the trend is compared to a 15-minute candle, bro.
Exactly. It
How
just has
so?
it's more stronger than a smaller time frame candle.
Yeah, so mathematically, or just can you walk me through the logic behind one weekly candle determining the next weekly's candle versus a 1 minute candle determining the next minute candle?
That's a good point.
Because in the small minute candles, it's always changing the trend. With the higher time frames, the trend is only going up or down.
Again, no, you didn't really answer that. Maybe Ms.
Well, maybe
connection
you're not
question.
listening.
I don't think
Oh,
you're
I
able
am.
to like articulate your point very well.
Okay,
or-
so Scott, do you think there's no difference between a 15-minute candle compared to a candle that's been going in an uptrend for a whole week compared to one that's been only going up for 15 minutes?
It's like
Yeah,
you're trying to
why
say the
should the-
shorter
why should the
time frame
value-
candle is
yeah,
stronger than the
I mean,
higher time frame candle.
I
It's
can make
like
it simple
you're
for
trying
you.
to
Why
defend.
should the value of the asset that you're trading be determined by the previous minute or the previous week?
Right. Yeah. That's where we're putting it.
I just think a combination of a stronger candle from a day time frame, a week time frame, plus news, I just think it's a lot more probable and a lot more easier to determine what the trade's going to look like compared to looking at just a 15-minute candle and maybe some technical indicators. Like that's
You like realize the crux, like the biggest verb there was you think. Like I'm asking
well,
for
obviously
why.
we all think it's trading.
Yeah, but
It's
like,
not
what's your
100%
evidence?
yes.
But what's
Yo,
your
and
evidence
I
that it's
understand you don't like mentorships and all of that, but you do got to realize the people who do get mentorships are people who are working 9 to 5s and don't even want to put the time in. They just want to get rich quick. They just want to get rich quick
What's wrong with
overnight.
that? Hold on. Are you rich?
I'm not rich, but I got a Beamer, I got my crib, I'm chilling.
Are you in your crib?
I'm in my crib.
Can you change the smoke alarm battery, dude? Like it keeps ringing in the background. It's a little annoying. But anyway.
Nah, I think I'll leave it.
Why? I thought. Okay, it's just like you do
Tiki,
hear that, right?
Tiki,
I'm
totally
not
up
crazy.
totally up to you, but there's also an options trader requesting. I don't know.
Yeah.
Do as you will.
I mean, just one more thing. The only reason I've chose to swing trade is because with a full 9 to 5 job, I haven't got time to wake up at market open and constantly looking at the markets while I'm doing that. If I place a trade, I can place a limit order, then go to work, and then it can execute on its own behalf. I don't have to do anything. So it's just easier for me. Gives me time to live instead of looking at the markets every 2
Smoke
seconds.
alarm has no correlation to his money, bro. I mean, kind of tells me. I mean, I guess not really, but like. But weird, he hasn't changed it. But anyway, like, wait, why wouldn't you want to change the battery in your smoke alarm? Like that puts you at risk.
I really want to get into trading and I have money to invest, not a lot though.
You worried about the wrong things, little bro.
I'm asking you, why aren't you worried about like a fire? There's like seems
And
like
I'm telling you, you worried about the wrong things.
you're okay, man. I'm just curious how that logic would play out. But anyway,
How old are you?
23.
So we're the same age. So if I'm a kid, I guess you a kid too.
That's not even what I said.
That is what you said, kid.
No, that's not what I said. I
You're
said,
on topic, literally. Why are we talking about batteries?
no, I just said, how does that like logic play out? But anyway,
Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, really.
like I would imagine someone who trades would realize like it's like you take zero risk to protect yourself. Like it seems pretty good risk management to have like the
Risk management to smoke the day.
yeah. I mean to have a working smoke detector.
I
yeah.
mean, I'm not the one going live, and hating on mentorships and, with a miserable fucking shitty ass life you got. So
You can't even put batteries in your smoke alarm. What are you talking about, dude? Can you even afford batteries for your smoke alarm? I'm serious. What? Who's talking now? Is it Mirrors or FX? FX is muted.
I ain't spoke.
Who's talking? Like I can't.
I
One
think
at
he
a
was the
time.
guy blocking.
Oh, okay.
I didn't speak.
Oh, okay. What'd you say?
yo, for real, like this dude.
Oh my God, not the dude. I can't. Anyway, but regardless, like
Trading is a scam. You'll never succeed. Okay, this guy's just chatting shit.
no, it's not.
All I gotta say is, if you can't do it yourself, don't get mad when others do it.
Others do what? Trade?
Make money off trading.
When did I say you can't make money off trading? I said
I
it's
mean,
hard.
bro,
I didn't say
you
you couldn't
going
do it.
live and
What?
trying to prove a point for a reason, no?
Are you profitable efforts? Yes.
Yeah.
Like okay, but like you do get the none of this has to do with like people can't trade. You can make money off trading. Make a lot of money off trading. I don't disagree with that. Actually, if anything, I say the opposite. I say you can make a lot more money than people are claiming they can make with trading. Like if you had a real working strategy, people would be much richer than what they're claiming.
Yeah, I'm just telling you from how other people see it when they join your live. They like instantly think you're hating because of like the
FX
capture.
has poor risk management because it's smoked.
Call me
Any
crazy, but is
comments,
that
bro?
not like basic risk
Nah.
management? But anyway,
No, I find it funny.
Yo,
how
Rocket
guys
Man is a
say
little
risk
boy.
management
Is
is
a little
smooth.
miserable boy. Poor little boy.
Rocket Man. Who the
Wait,
fuck
can
is
I let
Rocket?
up Victory?
Like, I'm really not
Junior
gonna listen to
FX's
somebody called
place?
Rocket Man. What the
Can I let him
fuck?
up in FX's place?
Yeah, sure, of course.
What? Sorry. Just want to say my name.
It's the smoke battery was just taking me out, man.
Risk management is smooth.
Hello, Victory G. How old are you? Victory, you there?
I'm here, bro.
How old are you?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. How old are you?
I'm 24, bro.
Okay, go ahead.
24. Fuck.
Yeah, we're gonna say.
Yeah, yeah. If you don't understand me, if you don't understand my English, you should just manage it like that because I'm from Nigeria, bro.
Okay, well, what's your point?
Yeah, there's a lot of African traders.
Yeah, it seems like this is the time to run into a lot of the Nigerian traders. I've had a few of them up before. But what were you gonna say about the topic?
I think his internet's a bit slow. Give him a minute.
Good people who are like, I don't know, I've had this just.
What's the interest rate? 19%. The interest rate on what?
Thank you for the roses. Oh, Samir, I'm just gonna let you down because I'm move on to other people. Yo, Uber Chi, how old are you? And you left. Okay. Well, let's see who else is here. I'll just add them up. I want to see this. Your guy Dom is like an options trader.
Yeah, one guy has options in his bio.
I guess he left already, but let's see if this guy's here. DG, hello.
What's up?
That's good. What were you gonna add? What did you just do? Did you say a beep?
Yeah, it's my smoke alarm.
We're just trolling, dude.
Kinda. I wanted to throw Aaron because everyone knows mentorships in trading are fake. At least
Okay.
everyone with a half functioning brain in economics.
Yeah, well, let's not be too mean. I don't know. Maybe he's living the life. I don't know. He's living the life.
Yeah, he got a Beamer. Woo!
Yeah, he's definitely got a Beamer. I agree with you there. Move on to the next guy, but thank you for joining, DG.
Yo, thank you. Bye bye.
Appreciate it. On to. Oh, and a crib. Don't forget the crib. But Jolvis. Hello,
Yo,
Jolvis.
what's up, bro?
Hey,
What's up, bro?
Yeah.
Yo, why are people saying trading is a scam, though?
Because for most people it is. Most people don't have strategies. Like you're just donating
Okay.
money.
So, for example, like most of the people in the chat, they're fishes, bro. They don't have a lot of capital. They're not whales.
Yeah,
That's what's a scam. So, for example, I trade futures.
Yeah.
Most of the people over leverage. Most of the people gamble.
And you don't?
No, I don't.
Yeah,
I actually
tell me.
have.
What
Yeah.
tells you you
So,
don't?
okay. So, the opening range. That's what I trade. So I modified it. What's up?
What's your okay? Did you ever run any like statistical analysis?
Yeah.
on what
I'm
you're
actually
doing?
running. I'm actually running right now.
Oh,
This year. Yeah.
Sure.
So I hear you saying alpha. Most of these guys don't know what they're talking about. I know how probabilities work. So my risk to reward is a 1 to 3. So if you need at least a 25% to break even.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Or
No,
To
you
break,
could,
yeah.
I don't. You could do like a 0.01% and break even, like win rate wise.
I mean, it depends how much of your account you're betting on each time.
Yeah. So I risk 100 to make 300. So this year so far.
Yeah.
Wait. So if I close the app, will
won't be able
it
to
mute my
see
mic?
it. You
It'll
won't
mute my
leave.
mic.
Yeah, I'll mute your mic. I won't be able to see it, but it won't kick you. But,
Okay, I'm because I don't want to say fake numbers. I'm gonna be right back.
Yeah, cool. You have your alpha?
Yeah, I have my alpha
Sick.
for this
Let's
year so
hear
far.
it.
All right, give me a second.
Nice. Maybe he's got something. We'll see. He said,
Maybe
"I'm a
they.
whale," and he risked $100.
No. I
That
heard
was an
you. No.
example.
Most of the people in the chat, they're not whales. For example, if I had $1
Are
million,
you?
I
Yeah.
would not be trading futures. I would not be leveraging
But you
trading.
wouldn't. But you wouldn't be a whale with $1 million either, right?
I'm just saying. If I had a lot of like, I look at trading in percentage wise. Like, if I had $1,000 and you had $1 million,
Yeah.
But you
what's
don't.
and you make
You don't
like
have to
3%?
leverage yourself with futures, though.
Yeah.
No,
Unless you want
futures.
to.
Yeah, if you want to.
Yeah.
But I'm just
Now
saying
I'm
though.
making 4 figures.
No, I'm just saying. Most people in the chat, they don't have a lot of capital,
Yeah, that's
so
true.
that's why they think it's gambling because they're over.
So you realize like the amount of capital doesn't actually change. It's what you're doing that makes it gambling or not.
Yeah, but most of the people in the chat, they want to be rich overnight. That's not how it works.
Yeah, some people haven't historically gotten rich overnight with some trades, but
Yeah, that's luck though. That's luck. Oh, okay. Let me
I
come out.
disagree with that. But like I don't think George Soros was getting lucky when he made $1 billion off the British pound.
I really don't mean this to be mean, but I'm going based off patterns here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
If I will be shocked if he comes back with an alpha and knows what alpha is.
I think I
But
spoke to
again,
him before, so he might actually have it. Who knows?
oh really? Okay.
Yeah, I've spoken to him before. Let's see. As long as it's not like some super ridiculous number, he might.
Okay,
just-
so this year so far it took 78 trades.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get the exact.
Let's see. I have a feeling he might not.
33 wins and 45 losses
Okay.
this year so far, 2026. So what's going on is I did research on the orb. Someone back tested at least 10 years. So I'm like, okay, the orb is profitable if you follow rules and you have your risk management and all that in check.
What's the alpha though? I get the but yeah, like a lot of things can be profitable. It's just like, are you beating the market or not? You like because you have a better option at like almost all times.
So right now I'm forward testing, like with my specific metrics.
No back test, only forward test.
How in the world?
No,
do you
someone
forward
backed. You said what?
Bro, what?
No, no. I'm literally telling you. Someone back tested the orb for at least 10 years.
No, but I get that part. But did you say you're forward testing, like you're seeing the future?
Yeah, right now, because I modified my strategy.
Yeah.
I'm pretty much forward testing. I'm not putting real capital on the line.
You mean
Do you know what forward testing is?
I think I do know what it is. I just didn't think it was possible.
I mean, isn't that just like trying to predict the future? Or
No. I'm saying forward as in like, okay, I did some back tests.
Like a paper.
Yeah, paper trading. Yeah. So it's just like it's pretty much. I'm not risking money right now. I'm just seeing how it plays off. Plays out.
You're not testing. You're trading. Just paper trading.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now, yeah. See, because I did a few metrics. So what I do is so I trade the orb NQES and YM. Because if you just trade like the orb by just like one pair, you get false breakouts and stand the third. I use AI as well to like journal.
You use AI? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I use AI to journal.
Oh, to journal. Okay. Okay.
I use Claude Code.
Oh, got you there. Wait, so do you have like an alpha number you said, or?
Hey, by the way, you can just use like the dictation thing to journal. Just saying.
What do you mean by that?
Like you just press the microphone button, like on your texting, and you can just speak to it.
Oh, it's a Claude?
It's a clock?
You talking about Claude?
Oh, you said Claude.
Anyway, just
Claude Code.
Okay.
Claude Code, yeah, that's where I trade.
Anyway, Joelus, I just wanted to see what your alpha is because I'm so curious. I talked to him about it before. I want to see what it is. Just.
Are you talking about like how many trades I took, my win percentage, and like my statistics?
Your excess returns of like your risk adjusted excess returns over the market, like risk adjusted how much you did over the market, like just like the most common metric on earth.
Okay, I literally told you this year so far took 78 trades, risked $100 per trade.
That's not alpha though. It's just I don't think you calculated it correctly.
Okay, what's your definition of alpha? It's like
It's not high
if you
definition.
have a positive EV.
Kind of, but there's a formula for it. Just search up CAPM formula, the capital asset pricing model, and that will give you a formula. And then just plug in your numbers into that formula, and you will be able to solve for your alpha. That's all it would take.
It's slightly, but it's I think it's the zeroed out version of CAPM. It's a variation
No.
of CAPM.
I see.
But
Or you just look up alpha formula. I use CAPM, but everyone uses a bit different one.
no, but yeah.
There's
What was that? Keep going.
there's different models for alpha. Just use a simple one. There's like a 3-factor, 5-factor, but you can
No,
just
but
go
like
with like a
Tiki,
basic one. Yeah.
if you rearrange CAPM, like that's where you get like this just standard alpha formula.
Oh,
It,
gotcha.
it really looks like, I understand like why you're like, it
Yeah.
looks very similar, but it's literally derived. You're right, it's derived from CAPM.
But I do agree with you on some things, bro.
Yeah.
Like day trading is not sustainable long term, though.
Well,
As
it
in, like,
should be if you have a
it.
strategy that works, but
No, I'm saying like most people think they can
maybe
just
not
do it.
long term, but it should be sustainable for a bit. Yeah.
It's not like reliable. Like I have a job,
Yeah.
so I do it like whatever I make extra, like off like the prop firms. Like I rotate accounts. That also helps as well. Like most people copy trade their accounts if they lose. Like I rotate,
Okay.
so I'm not blowing accounts left and right. I always have an account running. Always, always, always. But
So okay, so not all at once, one after
no, yeah.
another.
So like for example, I'll buy one every other week. So for example, let's say I have a bad week or whatever. I have a
Okay.
fresh account, different balances, so they're now all at the same balance. If that makes sense.
Yeah, I got you there. That makes sense. That makes sense. I got you there.
Yeah, so I'm always like rotating.
Okay.
What's it called? But no, I agree with you though. Long term, people should just invest like S and
Well,
P,
yeah, that's obviously a lot
NQ,
easier. Yeah, that's always
100%, bro.
significantly easier. Because that way,
Uh,
yeah, because it's not against you. Like long-term investing is in your favor. That's the main
exactly.
difference. Trading is not necessarily not inherently against you, but the people you're trading against will make it against you.
Nah, but yeah,
Yeah.
I agree with the mentorship though. Like it's all a scam, bro.
Yeah. Thank you.
100%, 100%. ICT, all that shit. Yeah, that's just a scam, bro.
Yep. Yeah, just Jovis, if you can look into the alpha formula, just a simple one, and use that, and you can hopefully just see if you have something there or not. That would help you out a lot. Just figuring out how to calculate that.
No, yo, bro, and the thing is, bro, like people in the chat, they're weird, bro. They swear they know everything, bro. Like, bro, in trading, you learn something new every day. Nobody knows everything in
Yeah,
trading.
that is. I mean, the thing with trading is it's just you know what it is? It's that people can make a lot of money off of it, both doing it, getting lucky, and from the audiences as well. Like these prop firms will pay so much money to influencers so that they could, do all this stuff. This is why this is huge on TikTok. Like the reality is, everyone has $100 that they can put into this. Everyone has $60 they can put into this. They just rinse and repeat that. These firms make billions of dollars, or I guess the entire industry is worth about 12 billion. But the point is, like, it's a ton of money, and all this stuff is, all of it is just made to profit off of like pretty much like kids. I imagine a lot of people using prop firms aren't even like 18.
Yo, literally, bro.
It's just trying to get kids addicted to gambling, which is,
I'm not,
very bad.
yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like I got into like Bitcoin and stuff. Like that's how I first started. Around that age, I was like 18, 19. And then I fell into the deep hole, revenge trading, all that, this, that, and third. Trying to find the holy grail that everybody's looking for, like secret indicators, bro. People getting yo,
Yeah.
you invited someone up here that sells signals, bro. Are you serious?
What?
Like it was like 2 days ago, bro. Like someone was up
Shane
here.
guy. Yeah, I remember that Shane guy.
Bro, he was
Yeah,
just
that dude was
pissing me
a
off, bro.
Yep. Don't worry. I got that whole video. I'm gonna download all these videos and go through all of them, guys. See, this is just data collection. Next thing will come through like longer form videos covering everything on my YouTube. See, that's the thing. I like doing field work. This is just investigative field work, and I'm getting the information straight from the source,
Nah, but
Slash vigilante.
yeah,
that too. Yeah,
I'm gonna figure out like my alpha and stuff. That's
you
actually pretty
should.
interesting and stuff. But yeah, day trading, you can make money if you
Yeah.
don't treat it as gambling. If you treat it more like as a business, like risk management, don't
Well,
your emotions in check. What's up?
I would say that's not really a good way to look at it because unlike a business, trading can't just magically one day you've been doing it for like 7 years and then it just stops working and
No, no,
you're out of a job.
no, 100%, bro.
I mean,
But
I
like,
guess maybe you go bankrupt with the business, but I don't like the comparison because with the business, there are certain things that you could replicate and it'll be successful in trading. If you replicate someone else's strategy, if it's public, it doesn't work. It's like,
that's another thing, bro.
yeah,
Like we talked about this, bro. Like
yeah,
my strategy, I would never share it, bro.
right, exactly.
Like
Mhm.
I'm working hard on it. I'm trying to like I use AI to like digest my losses,
Ooh.
understand why. What's up?
That's good. No, that's really good. I was gonna say this TV guy just said day trading is a business. Okay, I'm curious to see what he has to say.
I see it as a business. Like the prop firm space, you can definitely milk them, bro. If you milk them properly.
I mean, I guess, but the issue with the prop firms is they will kick you off if you're profitable. Like they
It's
will
Exactly,
be
not even
like,
it's not
no,
even I
no.
guess no, there's no milking that you'd have to beat the market. The EV is the same, so like you would have to have a winning strategy.
Like for example, like I said, rotating accounts for me works, bro.
well,
Like
I
most
don't
like most of these kids, bro, you see them like those crazy P&Ls. They have a 50K like 50K XFA,
yeah.
and then one trade they're gambling, making a 50K trade. Like, bro, I don't do that, bro. Like I use proper risk management.
Yo,
What's up, bro?
yo, what's up?
How old are you, TB?
Me, I'm 18.
Go ahead.
All right. Nah, I agree with most of your points. I can't lie. Everyone in the fucking industry is a scammer.
Yep.
When you say ICT though, do you mean the concepts or just him?
Both.
I'm gonna have to disagree with you on that one. I can't lie. I use the concepts. I've been getting consistent as fuck. I can't lie.
No, that's all right. But like the thing I would ask you then, see if it's ever possible. And don't do it right here. Obviously, it's gonna take some time. But because this is something that you're trading, it would be important for you, like figure out which of the concepts is making you the most money and figure out if you can find some sort of like a correlation. Meaning, for example, if volume moves in a certain way, that can be used to like predict the price to some meaningful extent and then use that to trade off because that information would make it so that your strategy would be like more optimized, if that makes sense.
Yeah. I know what
Yeah.
you mean. Like just pattern trade that shit.
Yeah, I mean, or just like see what you're picking up on. Because if you have successful trades, try to see where the success is coming from. Is it because you're getting lucky? Is it because you're picked up on something? Is it noise? That kind of stuff.
Yeah. I just mainly like I just be reading the price.
Mm.
That's all I really do. I can't lie. I did get a mentor like a while ago, and he fucking ripped me off. Then I got another one. That's the strategy I'm using right now. But most of these men are absolute scammers.
Bro, just use AI. Just use AI as a mentor, bro. Trust.
Like fucking ChatGPT, Claude.
Yeah, I use Cloud Code.
I imagine their strategies are going to be just as helpful.
Yeah, that's probably right.
What do you mean?
No, like if it's a public strategy, maybe not everything has the same expected value, but if it's a public strategy, the expected value of it's going to be negative, or maybe not negative, but
for example, let's say I share my strategy,
yeah,
and I'm okay. Let's say whatever. Like, for example, I'm profitable, 10-year back test, whatever. Boom, I share my strategy, it goes viral, bro. My edge is gone, bro.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, like you would basically be losing out on millions to hundreds of millions of dollars if you did that. Yeah.
And the funny thing is, I literally asked like Cloud Code, and I was like, "What happens if I share my strategy?" And it literally told me that I would lose my edge over time.
Yep, Claude knows. Yep. Yeah,
And bro, and TB, bro, like if you're actually like use Claude, bro, like as a journal, bro, it will literally like avoid, like it'll help you avoid losses, bro. That's literally part of the game. The less is more, bro.
I mean, Claude is pretty
I
powerful.
actually been doing that. I have like a journal, and I like
it's
paste
powerful,
it in
but it
dates and
won't.
shit.
It's not perfect, bro. Like,
No, but it is pretty strong. I've been using Claude too. Claude's pretty good at calculating stuff, and it gave like you can ask Claude to like go and find you like bonuses online, and you could like get credit card bonuses for signing up online for using Claude. It's pretty cool.
Nah, that's dope, bro.
Yeah. But yeah. Okay. So TB, I guess you just is only the part that you kind of disagree with just the ICT stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, I mean that's fair. I would just say look to see because the price, all that stuff that you're trading off, it's still just kind of more or less based on numbers. Just see if you could kind of figure out which numbers that you're using to try to predict the future value, and based on that, it will help you to become like a significantly better trader. Because imagine if you're able to predict it using actual numbers instead of just looking at the chart and trying to like eyeball it. Does that kind of make sense?
yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, eyeballing have been fucking working. I've been getting payouts.
That's good.
Wait, give me a second. So this is user guide. So look, I use the orb, right? NQ, ES, and YM. They have to break out to the same side. Make sure the market is correlated. I wait for this guy in the comment. I wait for a retest on all of them. I set my limit orders and aim for a 3-to-1.
Yeah, but okay. I mean, are you talking about your strategy?
Yeah, this guy, yeah, but I'm not telling him like exactly like what
Gotcha.
time and
Yeah,
this
I
and
mean,
that.
I mean, if it works, you shouldn't you shouldn't reveal that you should take to the grave.
Yeah, but I'm not telling them exactly like what time. But I use 3 pairs correlation. Even if
3 pairs. Okay.
yeah, if two
Yeah, I know what you're
trades
talking
lose,
about.
yeah, if 2 trades lose, I still make money if one wins.
I get what you're saying. Are you talking like pairs trading or no?
You said what?
Like pairs trading or no?
You said pairs?
Oh, pairs trading. Are you familiar with that or no?
Nah, I'm not sure. Nah.
Ah, okay. That's the one where you basically if you have 2 indexes that are correlated,
Okay.
you can short one and long the other if the price diverges too much. Because take for example the Nasdaq and the S&P 500, right?
Yeah.
Both those indexes they overlap a lot. So if one of those indexes is significantly like in one direction over the other one, you can long the one that's like lower than average, and you can short the other one that's higher than average, and it would have been like an arbitrage opportunity. But
Nah,
this doesn't exist anymore. All the banks already did this, but this is like one of the things that the banks did.
Yeah, that is hedging. Yeah. Nah, I don't hedge, bro. I just wait for they're showing me they're going into the same direction because sometimes like ES and NQ is like bullish and YM is bearish. But I'm gonna head out. I just want to say is
Appreciate it.
if you day trade, bro, take your profits and move them into like a smarter investment like the S&P or real estate as well.
Yeah,
Diversify your portfolio, bro.
Yep. Absolutely around that. Joelvis, thank you for joining.
Take care, bro.
You too. Yeah, I mean, I guess, same thing. I just say probably just be mindful. Make sure you don't end up losing, what you made, and just try to see like what part of ICT is working out for you, and see if you could kind of boil it down to numbers. Because the end goal for you, if you are catching, let's just say something you're finding does work. If you can boil it down to numbers and automate it, you don't have to do the trading yourself anymore. You can just let a computer trade for you, and you just sit back and you let it do the work for you, and you just monitor it.
Yeah, I get you.
Yeah, but again, and I guess you're still young. You probably still have to go to college and everything, but yeah, just see if it's something you're interested in. But yeah, I mean, are you interested in like finance or no?
I would be.
Yeah.
I'm good at maths and shit, so I might go into quant. I have to like choose my college courses around now.
Yeah, I mean, math is great for doing. Yeah, math or stats is pretty great for. No, this guy's not selling anything. He's just an 18-year-old day trader talking about ICT. No, like stats, math are both really good for anything quant related. And worst case, if you can't get a quant job, you can get pretty easily like a finance job. You might have to take some additional courses, but worst case is like after you graduate, you might have to like do some other like short term, nothing long. You're not gonna have like another degree or anything. But if you do math or if you can do math or statistics with a minor in finance or data science, you'd probably be pretty good for working in finance. Maybe you could even do trading, not quant trading, but just regular trading, because they have trading floors that are non-quant as well, like commodities, They have a lot of trading desks and banks. Like you could check that stuff out. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
I'm
appreciate it,
looking
KB.
at that.
Yeah, take care.
Take care.
It's also worth noting to the audience, like that path, like quant finance, is definitely the last sort of field in finance that will be overrun by AI. So that's worth considering.
Yeah, I mean, quant's pretty great, but also it's not the only field in finance too. Like private equity is still good, VC is still great.
Yeah,
Bunch of
no, I'm
other
just talking about like for instance, like IB analysts, like
yeah,
they're doing this. It's really just grunt work that will be
that's true.
taken by AI far before quant analysts.
Yeah, that is very true. Also, welcome up, Liberator. How old are you?
I'm 22.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I went to school a little bit for trading, but I don't understand any of this new stuff with the AI. And using AI, using computers. Well, when I went to school, I got like a very simplified. I just buy low, sell high, like recognizing market patterns, things like that. And I was using like Webull. I haven't made like crazy money on Webull. I made decent money on an app called Fundrise, which is like they invest your money. You probably know what it is.
I think I've heard of them. They're like, it's like I want to say they do like some sort of like it's like people can invest into like private companies or private ventures, but from like the
Yeah, so
public.
it's basically yeah, the way I was using it, you can invest in real estate projects. And like I put money in there. It's kind of like one of those you just put your money in there and like you check it every now and then. It wasn't like a slow rise, but I put like a couple $100 in over time. I just put like $10 here, $10 here. I had a couple $100 in. It was like going up a couple cents, and then all of a sudden it just went up to like a couple thousand. And then it was like, yeah, it was pretty cool. It was a pretty cool fun. You could show like all the projects that you diversify in, and you could literally like pick houses and things like that.
I see.
Like and it was pretty neat. But right now it's like people are making so much money with the computer way, because I'm pretty lazy, to be honest. Like sitting there waiting for a stock to go up and then selling to make $5 and then
Well,
you know what I
don't.
mean?
Yeah, I mean, I guess you can do a long term. Yeah, but that's what investing really is. I guess most of finance, you're either waiting around if you don't want to take risk, or you're taking a lot of risk to not wait around, which damages your chances of making money,
Yeah,
unfortunately.
I made decent money on an app called Kalshi, like doing
Oh yeah, I know
sports.
that one. Yeah, that one is just
But I'm trying to look into like Polymarket and other things, because it's like I'm in a situation where I'm not like rich. I don't make an insane amount of money, but right now I have a surplus of money above my expenses that I kind of want to do something other than just dump it all in my car.
well, did you want to just? I mean, I would probably just say just buy the S&P 500 or something else, or do you want like a consistent payout, or like I don't know how much money you're talking about, but probably S&P 500 would be a best bet, or maybe even just a high yield savings, see if the market crashes or not, buy back into the market if it crashes, like something like
I have
that.
access to some things because I'm in the military. So we have like our bank is a pretty good bank, Navy Federal. So they have like investment opportunities and things like that you can do. I have
You should talk to those guys. If I'm being honest, they'll be more qualified to help you out.
I invest in my retirement, of course, and my retirement funds do the same thing. They invest in a bunch of things.
Yeah. What was I gonna say? Yeah, go ask the guys at the bank if like they'll be more qualified to help you out.
Yeah, but I want to do something a little risky, if you know what I mean. Because I'm on call sheet. If you're on call sheet, you're taking risk. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
you're a full port demon.
But there's so many bets out there. Like, will Jesus return before X date?
I have
And it's
seen
like,
that one. Yeah.
yeah, as a Christian, I'm
That-
going to just bet wrong. And if Jesus does come, I won't need the money anyways. Like, we're gonna have bigger problems. He's gonna be fighting Moloch. He's gonna be fighting the Antichrist. So
Yeah, you're right there. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I just think that the issue with Kalshi is the insiders are like destroying that app because there's so much insider trading. I don't know. I just say be careful, but I mean, it depends. I would just say keep saving
You're
up.
so right about that, because like there's so many people talking to you on the app, because it became like a social media platform in a way.
Yeah, I see.
Like I had people like they'll look at my portfolio and then they'll message me and ask me, like, who should I bet on? I'm like, dude, the money I made, I've only had this app for 2 weeks. Like when I first started, I was getting lucky as fuck. Like I was getting extremely lucky. I was betting on women's basketball games, tennis matches, and I
You didn't
was
know what you were
betting
doing.
on, yeah,
Fair.
and I was just randomly betting. I would do like a tiny bit of research.
Yeah, I mean,
And
I
was
would
betting,
say
I
you
was doing the
want
high
to.
risk betting. Like I was doing the bets where you put 500 in and you make 200. But you risk the full 5. So it's like it'd be like 80% chance
So it seems
of
like you're just kind of like gambling and getting lucky.
yeah, that's how it was. I was gambling, getting
Right
lucky, and
there.
people like, bro, what are your picks? Give me your picks. I'm like, dude, I'm new to this. I've been guessing the whole time. I'm probably gonna lose everything.
Valid. That is valid. Also, Focus. You wanted to come up?
Yes, broski, how are you doing? You right?
Yeah. How old are you?
Me, I'm 28.
Go ahead.
Yeah, no, I just seen the fact that you guys even had this TJR guy up, like, you know, like this guy's an absolute joke. I don't know how people have been brainwashed to believe that this guy isn't even a trader, to be honest, you know? Like, we all know that he makes most of his millions from course selling, and
Right.
like, he's got another guy, actually, to be honest, a mate of his that actually does trading, that gives him all the signals, and he obviously promotes his course and boot course sellings and all of that stuff, you know? That's his main business. That's his main income, and the fact that he just targets little kids and they all believe him like on this cult following thing is just kind of sickening, you know?
Yep. That
Puts
is
a bad
very
name
true.
to trading, to be honest, man.
Yeah. Yeah. I think so. 'Cause I think what happened is like with trading, because really, if anyone is good at trading, you'll make millions. Like there's really no limit on your earnings, and there is no like
100%.
there's no barrier to entry. You just have to put money in and trade. So like it's open to
100%.
everyone, and all these companies, they make so much money off of them. It's insane. Like
100%.
I talked to like people like they started trading before they were 18. They would get like on parents' account and trade.
Yeah, nah,
I was
even
kind of
myself,
doing
like,
that a little bit.
Yeah.
yeah, even
Well,
myself,
you live
like,
and
I
learn.
prefer personal accounts sometimes, not just, you know, funded accounts and stuff. Obviously, funded accounts are fun and great and all, but, you know, you can't call yourself a trader if you can't deposit some of your own money into a personal kind of flip that yourself as well. Like, you know, that's the whole game. Like you said, there's no limit to it, there's no nothing to it. But TJR, man, I don't understand. And let me just say one last thing. A lot of people, in what I've realized is a lot of people trade mainstream strategies and think, you know, this is the holy grail. Like if you're trading something that somebody else over here is trading, no offense. I'm just saying, the whole world knows. What makes you think your strategy is, no offense, going to be super profitable? Like, you know what I'm trying to say?
Right. Yeah. You're like Alpha Decay, right?
Exactly.
Well, when I talk to people, like I'm from Alaska. I know a lot of billionaires. Like, there's a lot of very wealthy people that live in Alaska because it's the last frontier. It's like a lot of people live there because they're rich and they can afford to be off the grid. And I talk to people, like the people I meet that are wealthy that trade. Like this guy I know, he invested in Uber when it first started. And he put $20 on Uber, and he's a multimillionaire. And he knows nothing about finance. He just straight up tells you, he doesn't bullshit. He's like, bro, I put $20 on Uber
That was it.
when I was drunk.
That sounds like a nice.
Yeah, to be honest, bro, sometimes you can make great, crazy investments sometimes like that. Even me, myself, when these meme coins were like happening and they were a thing at the time, like a year and a half ago to 2 years ago, when they were randomly just exploding. You see how randomly meme coins were just going up to like making people rich. Like even I invested in 2 cryptocurrencies at the time, 2 meme coins on Solana. And I think I've invested about randomly $70 each.
Oh,
$70
and
each.
that was when Solana was small.
And I made 20K overall from both of them. I made about 10K
pretty
each
great.
on both of those 2 meme coins.
Yeah, that's really
In the
great.
space of literally random 3 hours. Yeah. Just a little quick scan, this, that. But that's meme coins, isn't it? Meme coins obviously could do crazy things like that. But trading, Forex, futures, I'm telling you guys, order flow is all you need. Understand
well,
order flow and higher time
Yeah,
frame
but order
picture.
flow isn't. Yeah, but that stuff's not gonna like do it. That's nowhere near enough
No,
information.
order flow is way better. Order flow is better than you looking at for your simple FVG breaker structure and all of that mainstream strategies, bro.
Yeah,
I'll
but
tell you that right
well,
now.
order flow is mainstream too.
Order flow is mainstream, but it's way more better than you looking at simple FVGs and simple trend lines and stuff. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I mean, I guess this isn't about order flow, but like any public, public strategy works. That's just the reality.
You guys are on a different level than me because I be putting like $5 on
alright.
random shit. I put I put $5 on fucking Wendy's, bro.
Please
And
stay away from options. Stay away from options.
Yeah, I put
Options is a nightmare, man.
Yeah, guys, stay away
on
from.
Wendy's and sold. I mean, the $5 turned like 30, and I sold.
Yeah.
And it was like now I'm just like, all right.
I got you there, guys. I don't know what's the next guest, but thank you guys for joining.
Yeah. So what do you?
No worries, brother.
Take care.
What do you guys recommend looking for? Do you think I should just follow the common stocks that consistently, like I mean, like Tesla, like the common stocks, they always fluctuate up and down. Should I try to
just dollar cost average it? Just pick stocks that you like, buy it over a long period of time, like $10 here, $15 that day, maybe $30 another day, $5 this day, something like that, into any company you like. Just diversify it and hold for the long haul, basically, and you should be fine.
Do you recommend apps to make that
Like what?
easier? Is there any app you recommend, like to use it from your phone? Because I know most of you guys
Do
use
you use a brokerage? You have Webull?
I have Webull.
Yeah, you can do
I don't know
auto
if I can
invest
log in
with.
right now.
Yeah, you can do auto reinvest from your bank account from Webull. Webull can automatically take money from your bank account and pour it into stocks that you like. You can set that up through Webull. Yeah.
Yeah, and I was just wondering, is there like, because I would like to be able to like see like my total. I want to be able to see like what my total is, like my
You
total.
look into your Webull, man.
profit.
I can't do this for you. You gotta look into your Webull.
Yeah.
Look at your accounts, man.
You're
I'm
you're
just
gonna
a
have
blind
to
guy.
you have to get off.
No, I just want to the next person. I can't look into your accounts for you, man. You gotta look at it yourself.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey, Divine, how old are you?
I'm 19, bro.
Go ahead.
So obviously, when you're saying that trading, mentorship, courses, all of that scams, what do you think about the copy trading aspect of things? You think that's a scam as well?
Yes, copy trading, as in like you copy someone
Mhm.
else's trade.
Yeah, I think that's a scam.
Oh, that one is like that basically exit liquidity if you're not on like a large cap thing, but you would be exit liquidity, especially if it's like meme coins, because a lot of that stuff's like meme coins.
So,
From what I've seen.
okay, so what do you think about a group where it's more than just a group, it's like a community where there's education to learn how to trade as well as copy trading? So you can make money from the copy trading.
But if it had copy,
Yeah.
but if it has
Yeah.
copy trading, like the guys running it don't have the education to teach. Like that just tells me everything I need to know. The
No,
fact that
I'm
they're-
I'm saying there's a copy trading part of it,
Yeah.
and there's another part to it where they teach how to actually trade.
Yeah,
You
if
think
you're
you
doing,
think-
yeah, if they're doing copy trading, there's no knowledge there that can be learned. Like that automatically just discounts them. Like any knowledge that you're gonna learn from there is gone. Like the fact that they're doing copy trading already tells you that something is
How
like-
though? How?
Because if you copy trade, basically what you're saying is, you're depending on what you're doing, you could be front running, meaning you enter, you send out a signal, everyone else enters, the price goes up, you sell, and then you send a sell signal. That's what a lot of people do.
I mean, have you had experience copy trading where you?
No, I've seen it
that's
happen.
cool.
I don't participate in that myself because I avoid those things. But like, literally, look at my account. Look at there was one guy, Terra. It's on my account. Like the guy would promote crypto coins, and do this stuff.
Wow. Oh well, I just want to see your insight on it anyway.
Yeah, but also the entire idea of like copy trading is just like the issue with copy trading is basically saying, oh, I have a profitable trade. If you have a profitable trade, you would take it yourself. You would put in say $100, get $150 back, and rinse and repeat that until we would run out of volume.
Right. So you're saying people be like exit liquidity and all of that. What if what if you've only got about 30 people in your group? 30 people can't affect the market, bro.
That depends on how small the cap is. Penny stocks, they can. Meme
No, I'm
coins,
talking
they
about
can.
I'm talking about like a XAU USD market. 30 people ain't impacting that at all.
Yeah, but you're
Like how like
selling
it affects.
away your ability to make that move. So like only like when you trade, you believe the price is going to go from
Wait, also
one.
there's this guy, King of Kings, with an academy that wants to join, which is going to be interesting.
Yeah, point being is you're selling away. You could always scale that up in that move and not let other people be a part of it.
Yeah.
But instead, you're selling it away for a cheaper price.
Yeah, like you would always make more money just keeping it private. Like it's like someone selling you like a $2,000 lottery ticket, a winning $2,000 lottery ticket for $1,000. You know, it just doesn't make sense.
Mm-hmm.
Like, and I get people want to help out. They don't necessarily mean, you know, like they don't. Yo, what's up?
Is that who you
Alder?
said? So I didn't mean to bring him up if that's not who you were talking
No,
about.
no, it's all right. No, that was I wanted to talk to King of Kings. How old are you?
What's up, bro?
Yeah.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 25. What about you?
I'm 23.
23.
Yes.
So what do you do? Like, what's the I read what you got up here, man. That's a
Yeah, what's your
bold
take on
statement,
it?
bro. That's a bold statement, right?
It's true. Yeah.
So what do you do? Like, what do you do?
It's not
What does
really
that have to do
relevant
with
to the
anything?
background.
Yeah, that doesn't even. Are you just not gonna like engage with the topic? I don't understand.
No, I am. I'll just you know, it's good for us. You know what I do, so it's good for me to know what you do too.
I don't know what you do actually. What do you do?
I'm just a full-time day trader.
Do you have a course?
No.
So why did it say join the academy in your bio?
Oh yeah, I have a mentorship, not a course.
How much is that?
It doesn't matter, right?
Why not?
So what do you do?
Why,
But it is a
hold up,
price,
this is literally about the topic, dude.
Okay, cool. I'll let you know what it is, but you know I want to know what you do too.
How much
The
does it
mentor.
cost, dude? Why didn't you like just?
I'm getting to it. The mentorship
Uh-huh.
costs $150.
A month or just one time?
A month.
A month. Okay.
Okay,
Is
so
that because of
so
like
now you
your-
know. So
is
now you
that-
know, right? So let me walk you down. So what do you do?
I do consulting, nothing to do with trading or finance.
So when you're consulting, what you got clients, right?
Yes.
Okay, so do you think so when you consult, you're helping out your client out, right? Your client has a need,
This is
right?
not probably the same thing as to what you're doing. What I'm
Your
doing
client,
is,
yeah.
again,
Okay, go ahead. Explain.
if you would stop talking, but yeah, I would. Yeah, sure. It's
Mhm.
not. It's not the same thing. You know the difference between like sum zero and positive sum?
Yeah, go ahead.
What's the difference between sum zero and positive sum?
Explain it to me.
So you don't know. Okay. Sum zero means that someone else has to lose money for you to make money. Positive sum means that no one has to lose money for you to make money. You get that, or
Understand that, yeah.
yeah?
So,
So the
would you
difference is
so would you say that your clients gain money?
yes.
So, what's the difference between what I do and you do?
Because trading is a net negative. It's a sum zero game, meaning someone else has to lose money for you to make money.
Well, I can make it more simple. Like you're
That's
No,
nothing to do
I
with
understand,
trading
but
either. But
I
but you're
understand.
selling a
So,
mentorship because
I
you're
understand,
expert.
right?
You're wait, hold on, just quickly.
So, okay, go ahead.
Yeah, just like you're selling your mentorship based on the fact that you have expertise in finance, right?
I have expertise in day trading.
that
So
is
finance,
finance. Yeah.
like the most
You can call
liquid.
it that. You can call it that.
No, that's not what that is. What do you mean you can call it that? Do you not know what finance is?
No, but you can call it that.
What do you mean? What you could, dude? Are you? Why
So you
would
don't
you
know what
word it that
finance
way?
is, but you're selling. I mean, it's the most liquid form of finance, right?
Yeah.
I don't think you guys understand trading, bro.
Trading is part of
I do.
finance.
Yeah, it's.
Do you guys even day trade? Do you guys even trade?
I traded
Why is that
before.
relevant to you addressing the
Yeah, but
topic?
also you're the one selling. I don't sell anything.
Because I'm trying to understand where you're having an issue and you're saying that
You
like
don't have the
you're
knowledge to
Typically,
sell what you're
hold
selling.
if you,
on. You're saying that mentorship, right?
Yeah.
You're saying that mentorships are a scam, but you're literally doing the same thing, bro. You're
I don't
mentoring.
do a
You're
mentorship.
it's
That's
so what if if I
that is
said that I'm
that is not a
if I
mentorship.
said that I'm consulting traders and helping them trade the same way you're consulting your clients, it's the same thing, bro.
No, it's
You have to
not.
be licensed. You have to be
do you
licensed.
see how your
It's
statement
not.
is like it's
It's
like
not the
come
same
on, man.
thing.
What's the point, right?
You
It's
have to
not
be
the
So
same
I'm trying to
thing.
licensed.
It's
understand.
not gonna.
I'm
It's
trying to
not.
understand what it
You're
is that you're
not.
trying to do here.
You're not
Really,
trying to
what you're trying to
understand.
do.
He's
No,
got
you're
a good
not.
point.
I'm trying to understand
You're
what you're
not.
doing here, and what you're doing here is
You're not trying to
you're just kind
understand.
of
You're trying to defend yourself.
you're
You're
Well,
just
just
trying to
so wait,
defend
hold on,
yourself.
no,
hold on,
look,
King.
you're just
Wait, just
larping, bro. That's all it is. You're just sitting here.
He's not able.
wait, just
He's
quickly,
not.
King of Kings. So we're saying that you being a mentor of a finance
Okay, I
course,
can probably put it a lot easier.
It's the same thing, bro. It's the same
No,
thing.
hold up. The
but
difference
you
is you
don't know what
don't know
It's the same
finance is.
thing.
but
So
you don't
you're
know what
saying
again. He's not even listening. You don't know anything, dude.
what you're saying is that people have to lose, right? People have to lose in trading for people to win, right?
Yes, that's how trading works. Yes,
But people have to
yes.
lose in business. If you're consulting a business
No,
owner,
that's not how that works.
another business has to lose in order for
No,
one business to win. In order
no.
for that one bit for in order for that
What are
business that
you
you're
stuttering so
consulting,
much for? Like, I
in
don't
order
think
for that in
that's not
order
the
for that
same
business that
thing.
you're consulting to succeed, other
Oh my God.
businesses need to fail.
That's not this. No, that's not what that is.
It's the same thing, bro.
No,
You're
you
just
don't.
LARPing, bro. You're just LARPing,
You know
man.
what?
Come on, you
No,
have
it's
no
not even. Let
solid.
me.
Look, you're just making a statement there without
Dude, you're uneducated. You
any
don't know what
substance, bro.
you're
With any
not.
substance. Come
You're
on,
uned.
no ad
No,
hominems. I haven't hated
no.
on you.
That's
No
Wait,
not.
ad
so
hominems. Look,
can
so
I, if he
if
wants
Okay,
I'm
substance, can I
don't cut
ask
me
him a
off.
substance question about what he
look
does?
But that's not.
if I'm look
Oh my
if
God. I say you're uneducated because you're uneducated. That's not an ad hominem. That's what you are.
that's an
Engage with
that's
the.
an
It's not an ad hominem. It's what
so
you
who's
are.
uneducated? If you can't give me a rebuttal, then
You don't know what you're
What's
talking.
so you just admitted
you're
you
just
didn't know what
attacking. Look,
finance.
all you're
No,
doing
no,
is
no.
just
Hold
you're
on.
attacking.
You were selling a course in finance, correct?
No,
So you don't know what you're doing. Exactly my point. You're uneducated.
that's not what I'm
Thank
doing.
you
And
for
That's
no
not.
proving my
offense, but you
No,
point.
just
look,
demonstrated the point right there.
you're.
Thank
I'm
you.
not selling a course in finance because I don't sell a course.
What do you
Mentorship. A mentorship.
mentorship? Sorry, you sell a
In
mentorship in
A
finance.
consulting. I have a
You
consulting
consult in
firm.
finance, right?
Yes, the same
Okay.
way he's
What
consulting in
is
whatever he's
so?
consulting, right?
What is finance?
I'm not consulting in finance. I'm consulting in trading. I'm
That is
teaching people how to trade. It's not finance. It's a
How do
whole
you know
different
it's not?
thing.
Wait, how do you know it's not finance if you don't know what
Yeah.
finance is?
Because finance is completely. What I'm teaching is I'm teaching people a system to trade.
How do you know it's different than finance if you
Like
How do
can't
you
define
not know it's
finance?
different? How do you
What
not
is,
know it's different if you don't trade?
just for the audience, what is finance?
this is
What is finance? What is so you? Why don't you explain it since that's your argument?
So if I didn't know what colors were, right, I couldn't
No,
describe.
the question is, what is finance?
I
If you're
couldn't say
making
this doesn't
look,
have a
if
color,
you're
right?
making an argument, you must be able to defend your argument. What's
too funny. I'm
finance?
gonna let you down, Divine.
Can you admit first? I can educate you. And I won't even charge you to educate you. But can you at least admit you
Sure,
don't?
buddy. Sure, buddy. Sure. Explain to me what finance is, right?
Yeah, it's just the.
I just have one question.
Explain. No.
Answer his question.
Look. I want you to explain. If you're sitting here talking about I'm uneducated, why don't you explain what finance is?
Yeah,
I don't know
it's
what
just
finance is.
Go
I
ahead.
gotta tell you
it's
the
just
difference.
valuing money.
Give me.
That's all
Give
it
me
is.
what
It's
finance
just
is.
valuing an entity or valuing
Yeah.
securities or valuing money.
Yeah,
That's all it
exactly.
is.
Yeah,
That's not what trading is.
that is you're basically.
How is it
when
not
you're-
what trading is? What are you talking about?
I don't know if you.
You're
realize
trading
it.
an asset based on its value,
So
right?
okay, so tell me what trading is.
Trading would be basically you're
Buying
taking
and
a
selling
position.
securities.
Yeah, you're taking a position on an
You're just
asset.
you're buying and
Yeah.
selling securities.
Yeah, you're taking a longer short position on an asset.
Okay, so now I know that you guys don't trade.
Wait, how do you know that?
So now you got because you just you're not when you explain trading, and that's not what trading is.
What is
Okay,
trading?
buddy. So who's uneducated
What is-
now? If you can't,
what is
if you
trading
can't sit
then?
here,
What
okay,
is
bro.
trading then?
Look, man. If you guys aren't, if you guys are gonna have an argument, if you're gonna have an argument, you're not gonna be open to argue that argument. Then
You've
who's
done
really
nothing but
uneducated, man?
yelling.
Hey, man, who's really uneducated now?
You've done
man?
like
Wait, so
nothing
what is-
yelling against.
If you're gonna make an argument, and you can't defend your argument, then
can't
who's really
even.
uneducated?
You
So
didn't
so that means
rebuttal.
all you're
You didn't
doing,
rebuttal.
all you're doing
Yeah.
is just LARPing, bro. You're
Do you
just
have any
LARPing. You know?
education? Do you have any sort of an education? Did you ever go to
All you're
college?
doing is just
We just
LARPing
asked him
because
what he thinks.
you know
Wait,
why?
hold on. We're
Because
getting
you
more
have an
granular here.
argument on screen. Somebody comes up, gives you an argument to your
Right.
argument, and instead
You
of
didn't.
you
Again, you
arguing
haven't made
back
an
and giving a
argument.
rebuttal, all you're doing is just you're sitting there and
Wait,
being
what was your?
thinking you're being
Hold on.
funny.
Sorry, what was
You,
your?
you, you
Sorry,
think
let's
you're
slow
being funny,
things.
man.
This is funny
You're,
because
Wait,
you're
let's slow
reacting.
things down. Let's slow things down.
man, all you're doing,
Let's slow things down.
you're just sitting here and
Let's just slow things down. So
you're
what
just
was
being
your
a hater.
He's
You're just
argument?
being a
not.
hater.
Yes.
You're just being a hater.
Wait, King. So what was your argument?
My argument is that the difference between me consulting a trader and helping him how to trade, there's no difference between that and what he's doing.
Yeah,
But
that's
Which
not
is
an argument.
But you
That's a
don't even know what I'm
proposition.
that's an
doing,
argument.
though.
That's
That's
an
a
argument.
proposition.
My argument is that there's
That's a
no difference
proposition.
between look, my argument is that there's no difference between consulting a trader and how to trade.
So the argument would be
The
why you
argument,
believe that to be true. So you're giving a proposition. So explain why that is
okay,
true. And secondly, also just before
listen,
you do
listen,
that,
man.
before you do that, you said we gave you a definition of trading. Why
All
were
right,
we
bro. Are
wrong?
we going to go back and forth, or are we actually going to talk
You're
about
not
Stop
letting
what's on
anyone go
screen?
back and
dude,
Are we
forth.
chill
actually
out.
going? Are we going
Calm
to go
down.
back and forth? Are we going to go back and forth, or are we going to talk
It's
about what you have,
hilarious.
what your
Dude,
argument
just
is on
calm.
screen?
Dude,
He's like,
calm down.
it's okay. Can I take care of this? I got this. Don't
No,
worry.
no.
You
Stop.
ask him what
Let's
trade.
go. No,
Yeah,
no,
you take care
no,
of
no.
it.
Look,
Ask him what
Yeah, I
trade.
got
Like,
this. I got
let's just talk
this.
about the argument.
I just want a
I got
definition of
this.
trading from him. But yeah, you take this.
That might be a hard one, but I can.
Okay, give me a definition for trading.
You already did.
Yeah. I don't know if you heard it or not, but we already did. Just taking a position on an asset, long or short. That would basically be as simple as trading as it gets. But I have a question. So you're not uneducated. Did you go to college?
What does that have to do with the argument, man? Why are you deviating, bro? All you're doing is just deviating, bro. You're sitting
I'm
here.
not. It
Look, you can't
is
defend your argument, bro.
is
Just accept
college
it, bro.
is
Look, man, you
college
can't
not
defend your argument.
education?
Look, you have an argument on screen, and you can't argue the argument.
Where's your
You can't
education
look.
from?
You have a statement on screen, and you can't even argue it. You can't
I
even sit
did.
here and actually. No, you cannot. You
I did
failed.
because
You
you're
failed the entire time.
uneducated to sell what
You
you're
have
selling.
failed.
The point of the
It's okay.
prompt
You
is
have
for
failed the entire time to defend your argument.
the point of the
Well,
prompt is for you to come up here and tell us why you disagree.
bro, you
So
can't. This
Look,
is like
you have the
what I said,
obligation
what I
to
said,
make
look,
the
Please
argument.
okay,
stop. Please stop.
okay,
This.
let me try again. Let me try again because you guys are sitting here and you're bouncing around. You're not really, you don't have a valid statement, a valid
You're
argument
not
to what I said.
even.
I said that, look, okay, so
You're not even letting me talk to
listen,
answer.
look, you're
That's
not
kind of
letting
a
me
sign
talk.
that you have
Okay,
no
so
idea what you're doing.
let me
You're
give
the
you
one
something
yelling
that
and screaming this
all right,
entire
we're gonna
time.
start again, and I'm gonna give you something, and I want
You
you to
have
respond
no
to it.
education,
Okay,
dude. You don't
listen.
even
So
understand what you're talking
look,
about.
look, are we gonna actually talk about something of substance, or are we gonna go back and forth like this? Right?
Not if you keep yelling and screaming and stuttering. It doesn't get
Okay, so
anywhere.
okay, I'm sorry, baby girl. Let me talk to you real nice. Okay?
So if you're
I'm sorry,
so
baby
you're
girl.
saying you're not
Here's the argument.
uneducated.
Here's the argument.
So you said you're not uneducated. Where do you have an education from? Did you go to college?
That has nothing to do with the argument, buddy.
Is college not education?
That has nothing to do with the argument, buddy. The argument is you're saying that mentorships and courses are scams. Okay?
Yeah.
That's your argument.
Yeah, it's because you're uneducated. You're basically scamming. You're trying to teach people something you don't
Okay,
understand.
buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy.
Yes.
Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Okay. I got you. Okay? So here's the response, right? Here's the response, right?
Let's hear it. Yeah.
So
I'm hearing it out.
oh my god, bro, you're really funny, bro. You have no substance, bro. For your stream has no substance, man. What's your stream? There's no substance to the stream, bro.
Again, I'm waiting just for your response, dude. Like, you say you're not uneducated. You didn't go to college. Where's your education from?
What does that have to do?
What does that have to do with anything?
What does that have to do? What does that have to do with the argument? You sat here the entire time. You can't even argue your statement. You got a statement on
You
screen.
can barely
You can't argue.
structure sentences together. Do you feel how difficult it is for you to even say words normally? You're supposed to teach
So are we
this?
gonna go back to argument? You look.
That is the argument.
You have not been. You look the whole time you've sat here. You're just been going back and forth with me.
But that's the point of, isn't the conversation to go back and forth? Like, what?
But we're going back and forth about the wrong things.
Okay, I was asking what made you think you're not uneducated. You didn't go to college. Did you?
That
You have
has
like a?
nothing to do with the argument, buddy.
Yeah, it
Do I need to
does.
talk to you nicely? Do I need to talk to you
That,
nicely,
that
like
absolutely
a
has
human?
everything to do with it, dude.
It has
That's
nothing
literally
to do with the argument.
What are you going to teach people if you're not educated?
Your argument is that trading mentorships and courses are scams. Let's talk about that.
Yes, yes. Yeah, let's talk about it. So you're selling
You know,
a mentorship for
you spend
$150. You have no
so
education. You have no idea what you're teaching. What makes you think you can sell something when you don't understand what you're teaching? Simple
let me
question.
explain what just happened here. I came up here to
You're not
argue
answering it at
that.
all.
I came up here to argue that
Uh,
statement. I've spent the past 5-10 minutes trying to argue it, and you've sat here and you've bounced around back and forth, and there was no substance to this argument. You've completely just wasted the past 10 minutes. You've just wasted it.
No, that's not a waste, man. This is getting clipped. This is great. I'm clipping all of this,
It's just a
dude.
waste. It's a waste.
Maybe for you, but this is getting clipped. This is hilarious. Like,
It's just a
geez.
waste. There's no substance to it.
I don't
There's no
think you.
substance to this conversation. There was
Bro, do you
nothing.
see the irony as like you keep evading questions
Yeah,
and
like,
then just like
The
rambling
questions
on,
have nothing
and
to
then saying
do.
there's no
The
substance?
questions have nothing to do with the argument that you're making.
It's
yeah, it
you
does.
making the argument. You came up to the panel to critique the prompt. Thus,
Yeah,
you were the one making the claim.
I made the argument
yeah.
What was
that
the
what he's
argument again?
doing. The argument is that what he's doing versus what he's doing is exactly what he's saying that is a scam. He's
Okay,
sitting there
no,
consulting
I'm
people.
gonna
He's
explain
sitting
this
there
again.
mentoring
not the
people on
same
how
thing. Not
to.
I'm
on trading.
gonna explain this
Not on
again.
trading.
It's
That's
the
a
same thing. It's the
so
same
that's a
thing, buddy. It's the same.
okay.
Uh,
So that's a proposition. You have to formulate an
It's the
argument
same
to
thing.
So
it has
yes,
nothing to
make
do
an
with finance or
argument
It's
trading.
as
the
to
same
All that
why.
thing.
stuff.
Yeah, so
It's
argue
the
why it's
same
the same
thing.
thing. So
It's the
tell
same
us.
thing.
So
How
tell us
come?
why.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Why is it the same thing?
Because he's helping business owners to improve themselves the same way that a mentorship would help a trader improve
Not
themselves.
exactly. It's a bit different than
It's the
that.
same
That's not
thing.
what that
It's the
is.
same
That's
thing you're
not what that
doing.
is.
It's the
That's
same
not what
thing.
that
It's the
is.
same thing. It's the same
Except for
exact
the
thing, bro.
fact when he consults with businesses, that
Yeah,
doesn't
it's
his
also
strategy to consult with businesses
well, to do with
doesn't lose
Okay,
regulations.
value,
so
and it doesn't
exactly.
lose
So
value for the business.
what's to say that what I do doesn't bring value to the people that I help?
Because you have no knowledge of what
Alpha
you're.
decay.
And who's to say that? Look, this whole time I never
Where
sat
do
here
you
telling
have
you.
knowledge?
This whole time I've never told you that you don't have knowledge to consult businesses. But you
To
look,
prove I have knowledge to do
look,
that, you can't.
I can too. I can too.
Really?
But you see how
Prove
how
it.
this conversation. You see where you're lacking in your side.
You're not addressing
Would you
anything,
think it was
dude.
a problem if I said I
You
consult
see where you're lacking.
doctors?
You see where you're lacking.
Can you
You
stop
see where
bemoaning
this
Not
this?
able
can't. You see
to.
where this can't be.
Bro, you said you're 25. Like, just have a
You
just
see.
stop.
You see how this can't. You see how you because you guys are
Because
sitting up there just attacking, right? Instead of actually trying to have a
No,
civil conversation.
it feels that way because again, I think you don't know what you're saying. I feel like that's why it feels that way to you. But
I
don't
think
you
he's
agree?
just desperate to keep that money. He's afraid he's gonna lose out on that money. He doesn't have anything else. I
Yeah,
think
and
that's
it's
what it
like
comes
if I
down
was
to.
if I said I was
Look,
consulting
bro.
doctors
First of
and I
all,
didn't know what a
money
doctor
money
was.
has nothing to do with this, right? We're not going to sit here and talk about
Does.
money because I'll little dog you the entire fucking time. So
Wait,
we're
did
not
you
going to
say
talk about
little?
that.
Wait, did you say you little dog?
We're not
Wait,
going to do that, right? We're not going to do that. There you go. Now you have a laugh, right? Now you have a reason to laugh. There
little
you go.
dog? You're gonna little dog me?
Yeah,
You've been little
yeah.
dogging the whole time, bro.
Yeah. Look, man. Y'all been sitting here.
I'm gonna use that phrase from now on.
Look, y'all have
Oh
sat
God,
here and
this is
ganged
great
up
for
on me,
views.
but you haven't responded to anything that I fucking
I
said.
have. I
No, you
have.
have not. No, you have
Literally
not. You just
everything
going
you
back and
said.
forth. You're just going back and forth, bro.
What makes you educated enough to give mentoring on trading?
If you're in here right now and I've made you profitable, put a W in the chat.
That doesn't even answer my question at all.
There you go. This is the answer to your question. This is proof.
That proof of what?
Proof that what I do works. You have proof of what you do works.
Yeah, but I don't do trading. It's
But it's what you're doing versus what I'm doing is the same thing.
No, it's not.
It's the same thing.
It's not the same thing, and I don't think you would
So, which
understand
proves
what
my
it is.
Do you
point.
think it's
That
a
proves my
problem?
point. Which
Wait, hold
proves
on.
my point. It proves my point, bro. You're just sitting here LARPing. You're just sitting here being a hater because
just
you're
click.
literally doing the same thing, buddy. You're doing the same
I
thing.
don't usually like clip
Yes, you're
farming,
doing.
but this is just
You're
a clip
doing the
farm.
same thing that you're opposed
not.
again. You're the same thing that you're opposing. You're doing the same.
Not the same.
Okay, you were consulting about trading.
You're
Please
doing
define
the
to
same
us.
thing.
Wait, just define trading.
You want me to define trading? Didn't you just
Yes.
define trading earlier? You're
Look, can you
taking
just
sort
do
of
it
long
again?
positions on
You
an
can literally
asset.
you can just use my. What'd you say?
Well, there you go, bro. Well, why are you asking me if you know what the definition is?
I didn't. You spoke really fast. What is it again?
So, are we actually going to have a conversation of
He's not able
substance,
to
or are we going to go
answer
back
it.
and forth like this, bro?
What?
Are we
Wait,
going to go
hold
back
on.
and forth like this, bro?
This is sad. This is
Are we
sad.
going to go back and forth like this?
Well, what is trading? What's the definition?
How is 25? How
Are
are
we
you
going to
like
go back?
25 and you're
Look,
like
bro.
this?
Are we actually going to go back and forth like this whole time? Do you want to continue this conversation like this, or do you want to have a civil
Are you
conversation?
able to? I mean, I don't think you're able to have a conversation. I don't know what went wrong in your life.
You haven't been able to have a
You're not
conversation this
able
whole
to have
time, bro.
normal conversations.
All right, I've been sitting here.
What? What?
You see,
What's your
you see it,
point?
you see it. Do you get it now?
No,
Do you get it now?
you keep stuttering all over the place because you're not even able to like breathe properly because you keep yelling and screaming the entire time. Are you not tired of yelling and screaming? Do you think yelling and screaming makes you right? Like I don't understand.
No, keep talking real quick. Let me see. Keep talking.
Yeah, I know it takes a little bit of math.
You know,
But wait, hold on.
you
I
know.
it
This
takes
is this is actually inspirational.
Wait, just real quick. I know it takes a little bit of math.
This is actually inspirational for me because
No, I know, but can you just let me talk 1 second?
listen, I don't usually do this kind of stuff, and this is very inspirational. I had an epiphany just now.
An
You
epiphany?
know what
That's a
you
big
guys?
word.
I had an epiphany just now. You guys have reminded me of what I would be doing if I wasn't who I am. You remind me of what my life would be like if I wasn't who I am. Thank you guys. I appreciate that, man. I really do.
Can I ask you? Can I ask a question?
I really appreciate you guys for opening my eye of how dorky my life would be if I wasn't who I am. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. You're sitting here. You don't even look at the headphones you're wearing, right? Like, I love this, bro. I appreciate you guys inspiring me today.
You're welcome. Can I ask you a question?
You and your chat.
Sound like you're on the verge of like a heart attack, dude.
This
Just
amazing.
take it easy.
That's amazing.
Wait, can I ask you a question, King?
Wow.
Wait, can I ask you a question, King?
No, you cannot.
Okay, so like I know it takes just a tiny bit of math. You can just use a little piece of it. What is 100% of $5?
I'll take questions.
You don't know what that is?
Wow, bro. You guys really, bro. This is inspiring, bro.
God.
Like, what do you
This is
think?
really
Like, just
inspiring.
come on.
You don't know what that is?
I'm not answering questions. I'm not answering questions right now.
Come on, just verify.
Did you drop out of kindergarten? What the dude? What?
Bro, I checked the second I said I'm not answering question. I checked out. I don't even know what the question is. You know why? Because I'm sitting here thinking about how inspiration this really is. The fact that we got two grown ass men with nothing going on in their life. Nothing going on in their life, right? You got nothing, absolutely nothing going on. Nothing going on in your life, man.
You definitely did not make it to. Did you make it through high school?
You got nothing going on in your life, bro.
Technically,
this is inspiring.
you kind of learned that like in I think like 6th or 5th grade. But.
This is inspiring, bro. This is inspiring, man. Wow, you guys inspired me, man. Like this, you guys reminded me of what my life. If I didn't really lock in and I didn't do what I was supposed to, what I'm doing right now.
With dropping out of high school?
If I didn't do what I'm doing right now, I would be just like you, bro.
Is dropping out of high school a lock-in?
I'd be just like you, bro.
Decide what I asked.
Look,
Okay.
the things in my brain, the things that what you can't even fathom.
Bro, this guy just keeps stuttering all over the place.
You can't even fathom what I am. You can't even fathom what I'm about. You can't fathom it.
That is the first truthful thing I've heard out of you. I agree with you there.
You can't. Yeah, exactly.
I really can't.
We're in different wavelengths. Like you get that, right?
Actually,
you can
yes,
feel it.
I
Yes,
agree
you
with
feel
that.
it exactly.
I do
Right?
feel that. Yes.
You're just an average human being, bro. You know, and you can't fathom.
I guess.
You're just an average
speaking
human.
of that,
You can't fathom this type of energy.
Speaking of that, do you know what means
Look,
in math?
look, this type of energy is to you, it's repulsive because you're an average human being with an average brain.
Are you a subpar human being?
Yeah, I'm sentient. I'm not even fucking real. This whole thing hasn't been real, buddy.
You're not
It
real.
does kind of
Okay.
feel that way.
Sentient.
You guys are
You know
funny,
what
but
the-
this was a fun experiment to do.
Wait, King. Would you say
This is
that
funny.
you're King? Would you say that you're a subpar human?
You ain't getting me there, bro. Just chill out, all right?
Just a question. I mean,
All I know is that I'm not average like you guys, bro.
are you below average? Like, I don't understand.
All I know is that I'm not average like you guys, and I'm grateful for that.
Okay. Well, no, okay, but I'm just like
You, you guys,
you
you guys,
never.
you
Just
don't
curious,
have the
like,
brain
what gave you
capacity.
that?
You don't have the brain capacity to fathom what the fuck I am. You know, you can't. It just can't, bro. Just accept it, man. Just accept it.
I have accepted that actually. I've
I
Yeah,
mean,
accept it, bro. You should. You
this
should
is
accept it,
just.
man. You
I
guys,
mean,
you guys.
King.
Look, man.
King.
You
I'm
guys are
just trying
just
to
little.
like conversate at
All
this
right,
point.
okay. Yeah, let's
Just trying to
conversate. Finally,
conversate.
that's exactly what I've been waiting for. Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah,
I love you for that. I
you
love you
just
for
had.
that. I love you for that.
I'm okay. I'm not. I don't swing that way. But anyway, like just
So,
taking it
are you
back from
are you homophobic?
again. I don't love you. So don't put this. I
Are you
love you.
homophobic? Are you homophobic, bro? Is that what it is?
That's
How
not
do you
what that
define
means.
homophobic, King?
Also, that was
Bro,
just a stupid
do you not
joke.
own a dictionary, bro? Why are you trying to get me to define the words? You don't not own it. You don't own a
I
dictionary.
forgot
Go
you're not
look it up
accepting
yourself, man.
questions. I forgot
Also,
you're not
King.
accepting
I don't take
questions.
I don't take questions from regular human beings, right? Because you won't be able to fathom my answers.
Interesting. Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point.
Do you take them from like Martians? Who do you take questions from?
You know, there's average people in this world, and there's people that are just different.
Yeah,
They
there's a lot
think
of people who
different.
are different. Yeah,
They
I
think
would
different,
imagine
right?
everyone.
So you guys are like average, right? You know, you guys are like average human beings. You know, there's guys who think beyond what you have
But
ever thought.
could I
Right?
ask a quick question? What does average mean? I forget.
You and your buddy here.
Is that how you
No,
like
but
define
like,
it?
yeah, because and then this is not like just a gotcha question because you keep like going back to this point of like you're not average. Like, what would make you? I'm assuming you're above average. Like, what would make you above average?
Is that a real question? Is that a real question? Is that a real question?
Yeah, that's a real question.
What makes me not average?
What the fuck is going on?
Yeah.
What makes me not average? That's the real question.
Yes.
Is that a genuine question?
That is a genuine. I'm just curious about you at this point because I don't think we're gonna get in there with the conversation.
I'm just not like you. I'm just not like you.
The background noise.
I'm just not like you, bro.
Yeah, I get that, but what's the
Bro,
difference?
this is fun. You know why? Because I have not. It's been
What do you
so
think
long.
is the
It's
difference?
been so long since I've spoken to regular human beings.
As opposed to what? Like aliens? I don't understand.
You don't understand, don't you? You don't understand? Is that what it is? You don't understand?
No, I clearly don't because something is happening
No,
here that is.
no. It makes sense. It makes sense that you don't understand. Your brain is like you're getting brain fucked right now, bro. You know, I just took my finger and stuck it in your brain and I twirled it around, and you can't. You don't understand what's going on.
Okay, that's.
You know,
I don't know.
that's what's happening right now. That's what's happening right now, bro.
I don't know if I describe it that way. Just how do you, like, is this how you act in like real life? Is this how you are? Is this a character? Like, I don't. Is this a caricature or something? Like, is this a persona?
You can't explain it, can't you?
If this is a real person, like, I don't know. It's
Don't try to explain it. Don't try to understand it. Don't try to understand it. It'll hurt your brain, bro. It'll hurt your
Should we
brain.
try to get a couple more people in?
Yeah, maybe.
It's gonna hurt your brain, bro. Yeah. All right. It was good talking to regular human beings for once in a while. I hope you guys continue to have a regular life for the rest of your life. And just don't forget to invest in your 401ks and your retirement plan, because you're gonna need it.
Yeah.
You're gonna need it. Continue to consult. Maybe I'll hire you one day to consult me. Because I'll hire you to mentor me. How about that?
Goodbye, Invader Zim. Bye bye. We got Invader Zim on the show. What the actual hell was that?
The ending there was unbelievable.
That was one of the.
That was so good, actually.
I'll hope like a few more people, and then if that's like a character, like
I think he I feel like he wins the Crash Out Award. I mean, maybe that's not what's going on.
No, that tops Nasdaq Mastermind.
For sure. Well, maybe not for sure, but like definitely, I think
that comes pretty close. I mean, geez, he was like going at it. Who do I want to let up next? I don't know, just like a few more people. I'll just let up Joshua J. Jack. Hey Joshua, how are you? How old are you?
I'm 23. I don't know how to turn this camera off though. Give me a sec.
Yeah, no worries. The internet.
There we go.
Yeah, you're on.
No, I sell a trading platform. I wouldn't waste time selling a mentor course though, because there's £150 a month. If you're a profitable trader, you don't really need that. Do you know what I'm saying? But Divine came on earlier and he said something about a community of copy traders for gold and Nasdaq, and you expressed your opinion about it was negative. I just want to hear it. Like, what do you think about that?
Yeah, I'll say why it's negative, because here's the thing. Basically, what you're saying is anytime you do a copy trade, and this is assuming you're not like front running, you're not pumping and dumping. When you're doing a copy trade, you're basically saying like, oh, here's a trade. If you take this trade, you're going to make money on it, but I'm not going to take the entire trade myself. I'm going to let you guys in on it too. Like, that doesn't really make any sense to me. Like, you would just take that trade yourself, take your profits, and then just keep redoing that trade over and over until you max it out, like, as opposed to...
Yeah, it's profitable for the person given the trades, because they open accounts with brokers that basically state in the agreement that every trade the person takes that you open an account with, you gain money from that. So that would be like some people would consider that a scam, but I wouldn't, and I also don't run a copy trading account. I run a trading platform, darkstonecapital.io. It's like $700 a year, but it comes with a lot of benefits. One of them.
How much a year?
$700
a year for. And what's the platform? If I'm asking, is this like a trading strategy or just like a platform?
It's a full-blown platform. You can search it up on your computer now and take a look if you like. It said.
Oh, is this something like NinjaTrader? It's like a information type stuff, like
similar, very similar, but also
okay. So yeah, So sorry to cut you off. I just wanted to clarify. That's kind of outside of the scope of what I'm talking about, because what you're describing, it's more of like an aid. It's like, it's information. It's a what's a good way? It's like have you ever heard of like a Bloomberg terminal?
Yeah.
Is it something similar to that?
Yeah, you could go and take a look at it now if you like. I'll put the.
Yeah, that's not. Yeah, I don't consider that to be a scam, because what you're paying for is what you get. Like, you're paying for information. You're paying for a setup, different things that like they'll analyze it. You're not like paying for a strategy which doesn't work. You like get what I'm saying? Yeah, that's outside of the scope of what I'm saying. Yeah.
I genuinely feel like anyone selling a course, if you're profitable, there's no need to sell a course. Like, I mentor my friends, but I wouldn't charge them for that.
Yeah, I got you there. Yeah, Joshua, what you're doing, I wouldn't. Yeah, that's outside of. Yeah, if your question was if that would count, no, that's outside of the scope of what I'm talking about. What you're talking about is legit. Like, I've seen like NinjaTrader, I've seen like other things that, other interfaces. Like, that stuff's different because you're paying for information. That's totally legit. I have no issue with that.
Yeah,
you're not sitting there and you're not selling a dream. You're just saying like, hey, here's the information. Make of it what you will.
Yeah. No, we don't sell a dream, and we don't give out signals either. We do sell an automated bot though, and anyone interested in it, go and take that a look. Made 600 today.
Is it an automated bot that you program, or is it programmed?
Yeah, we programmed it. Basically just scalps breakout ranges. It takes like 20 quid at a time, but there's like 4 breakouts every hour, so it's very, very small.
Well, that's a scam.
You think that's a scam?
Yeah.
Could you explain how?
Yeah, I mean, advertising it as something that'll make money for you?
I'm not advertising it for something that'd make money, but it's hands-free trading with data backing.
But if it's not going to make you money, why would anyone buy it?
It does make money.
Please drop a follow for the king, guys. Please drop a follow for the king. That was a
So like,
legendary time.
Like statistically back checking it, like what's the alpha of it?
So we back-checked it for a year of previous data ranges, and then
Like, so what's the intercept of the regression?
the intercept of the regression, I'm not entirely sure what you're talking about.
The alpha, the risk-adjusted excess returns over the market.
Like, are you not regressing your returns against the market?
We risk about 10% per trade. It covers losses within like
Also-
£10.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe you do. I mean, if you have something that works like that, like keep that secret because maybe it sounds like more like a black box in a way. I mean, keep it secret. See if you can put in a lot of money and then just let it run. You know.
Yeah, well, we started on market open. It got released so Sunday night at 11 p.m. 5 accounts of £100, and they're all at 600 right now.
Interesting. I don't know. Maybe I would say like if that actually does work, just keep it private and turn that into a black box.
You reckon?
Yeah, I mean honestly, like dude, yeah, honestly, if that's a black box, that would be worth so much more.
Yeah, I wouldn't approach a bank with it though, J Future Trading. Why would I want to do that?
The bank will probably pay you a lot. Because if it's black box automated and the bank can learn how to use it, you might be able to sell it for like a couple million or more. Who knows?
Most
That's
hedge
kinda why.
funds and banks already use them. That's what kind of give us the idea to make one ourselves.
Yeah, I get it, but I'm saying like if yours was profitable and the hedge fund doesn't have one of those, they would love to buy it off of you just for more money. Like yeah, I'm
Yeah,
just saying
right.
like yeah, like if you do yeah absolutely if you have a bot that like actually works, that's basically just a money printer, and you know
Yeah, it's a bit silly to be honest.
yeah maybe I don't know yeah, but like the trading platform stuff that's cool. I just be mindful with the bot because it's like you're either selling a money printer or it it doesn't work. It's kind of like that. Does that kind of make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, it's either it's a money printer or it's not a money printer, you know?
Yeah,
It
but
can't be both. Yeah.
I completely agree with you that the meme coin groups are a scam. Like, there's no question about that whatsoever.
Also, Joshua, you're gonna be the last guest. I'm gonna shut down the live stream in like maybe at most like a couple minutes at most. So drop a follow if you enjoyed, you guys. I'm gonna end the live stream.
No worries. At least you finished on a sane person, though.
Yeah, this is refreshing. That is a lot more refreshing.
Yeah,
than
no
the other
worries.
guy. That one was just it was interesting because like to his credit, like I just like I guess to his credit, he wasn't as aggressive as he could have been. He was pretty funny. I was just like waiting for him to kind of like tire himself out before engaging with him.
Bro, he's definitely on coke. It's 5 a.m. and
I think so.
yeah.
Is he British? Because right now, I guess in America, it's probably also pretty late.
No, I was saying something about it being 5 a.m. in the morning. No one has that type of energy.
Maybe I'm not gonna I don't know. I'm not gonna comment on someone else's habits like that. But
Okay.
anyway, I'm gonna end the live stream now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. That was interesting, and we have the recording, so that's gonna be fun to put together. And we're out.
Yeah.